Muyi taxes in free so after obebiam no what me produce
protect local industries.
That's it.
Abaya lip service.
Ah, yeah,
a lot of them.
Abaya no opportunity.
Plan no akabrofo policy and so conformant sa. Konekoshe omo tom.
Yes.
A pad will chrome ha. Ghana Revenue Authority shed the omo.
Yes. Eti Kalesta Ghana no mo sa no a omo ye bi wa ha sei no. No mama mo tax rebate omo raw materials. Mamene taxes.
Mamene ama prat in chichen komo. Ama mi mo atia no pay.
Machiminia.
Now what to say?
Patron me who ye na unswe.
Ama enra mo di assemble kro yi mu papa. Na 12.5% VAT and at 20% import duty on sanitary pad no. Mo say eye on head of na e de how no ye ne ebebre e ma o Ghana. Den tina mo kasa.
Yeah, kasa. I mean, the reason in see yeah kasa no. And say ye nyina ye nim said ya Ghana sisi a asitena ni mu akoye. Ebi mu ye argument say nya Ghana nko abia. Okay, ya ji atum. Na sesane tia enye adan na yendwen ye ho. Na yenhwe niam a ye bitimi aye aboa ye ho. Na mum ye institute taxes a ebe ma asitena ni mu no asa aye din more ama the most vulnerable eye ma paying for ne man kitwa. Ene Ghana ensuo ayenom eduane ayedi ema school nkola bi anu ye den ye nya nyankasa makona la regu gambaga mi bodin esi hopi akoye story a ensuo primary school nkola ensuo ayebenum kra na ye nya secondary school nkola ko hebe bia no mode da ahomti ye nka ho asem se omu ni nkonu ombetena so na we nyina ye reality e wo Ghana komo ha na uriye ya wo se sanitary pad the most natural, the most biological thing. I mean, menstruation. Yeah, this sanitary pad. A boy who buy. And your choice. And you say me pa me. So we are bankwa dear. Do that time of the month. We are dear. We be menstruating. And now would you manage you? Would you see you? And no anchor can any estimate on of 5 CD, 6 CD, 7 CD, and ukona ukwakocha yes 23 CDs na nipa na onye nsuo nom onye janindi no so uka so 20 CDs in quarter pad nko siesie no na day na wo ka kire no ka kire ni say for 5 days 7 days na on menstruate na eya ade a e wo se oye as oba no the most natural most basic most natural thing no na person wo kire ni say on ka dem Adam ko ka dem saying they na opeso ye ne ho opeso ye den ono ntimi nko school ontimi empia bontin be fanim die kakra ma ne ho a o chine bi betimi esiesi ono akasa ne daachi enko ayi ne family daachi ne Ghana nyina daachi ye more than 51% of this population na so team bia no ye mra e ka ye hye ye ndwen ema ho se viable developmental partners aye hu hia e wo krom ha se Ghana be ko nanim a e wo se ma ka ho nti yes re completely so the be ya at the very least obebia betimi atobi de siesie ne ho ye hu sem no so e ma ye sem dos be
monsam so de dos so ama mami musa we se ene no mukodwa so a pad no de afukra ye say
Pacho, Siciano, 25 Ghana cities. And no, because only be 23 Ghana cities. So the fancy 23 Ghana cities. And no, I will market this year.
Yes, I will be on my Obeto Bemi and San Abosumi Nedru.
Minia, and when you are seminal. Away. Says Ticano, or quack of away. And the year, Juma. Yes, it is a want for your cry. Yes, me obi a oti baby. Oh, look, I'm making the baby, your ben cry, dear man. Not just say, Professor, your thing.
Oh, share and croak it to Crocassia Mudia, Oka sister, or Mumo, Kroki to a boy about 3 months, crown not 20 cities, crown who be.
Samo, and I know yes, not with him. Yammy and no, I made them as the Munina say. You could share your speaker, right honorable Alban Bagby. Only a year drink deep too. Just on the credit and any breakfast, I did some cushiano. Ain't no, and no, many a jamamia which be say. You bet me, I who be. Say, Achia, ne mui. Ya mistake cry, ya to me, a quiet tea, a cosy, and no, mammy, many just say. Ya coy, no, ya dear super, ya so ye mui, or assure ye. Say, or no, I knew myself say unconscionable.
All right.
A idea also your dream one yes, who dear, yeah. House needs me okay, be sir. Into I show and so the best son or the alcohol bonino or the better papa. Into ye train.
All right. I'm a Medasi, I don't pay.
Yeah,
okay. I'm a Pratt, a daughter of Chrissy Pratt, and I don't pay. You need to change command. Yeah, I think it's a good move. Babin says a cardinal sin to tax sanitary part. A bonnet crowd of the highest order.
In Jakuntadia, we government take advantage. So,
yes.
Now, on fan creative market, and companies in one air pad, Ghana, no, Krumasi, no. Na, and also so no, or monkey piece our taxes will, Homa, or Momoko Krebi fra Bruchri Bano. Say, Bema Bruche, the enemy Momubuaya Dene.
Now, the Obaka produce,
yes, no better produce.
Every produce,
Mr. Yamecha can say about 4-5. Companies for Ghana here, produce at half capacity because enya market. And now tax we so na benyen susan so e wo so because crowd raw materials no na de ba Ghana aba eba beye and ya pagya mu dia momo. It yen check advantage. So yen fan create market ema sa companies one they said one factory ye offer yen papa blessing no dey blessing
blessing party
Pampers
yes
Achabaru esi factory ni bi wo ntonso ase oh ye pad ne Pampers ne sa niema no until you create a market for them. Achabaru
no man ho tono
yes
the entina on to mean produce at a lower price
ne full capacity na obefa ni pejuma so when born beba from obefa ni pejuma eti akuta we an advantage mamo parliament na started our conversation we eti government should also make a move say taxes in the bekipi amana to say na no mo ye say your drinks bi any nsuo bi a amount for credit for
our health and for local production so come
alcohol
na we are see no yaw yeli foi why need the others one I want to say
me ho ye na
na mo de mo ye manti ye ka bi mamo pad no yes ne boa ye den na abai ne the 12.5% VAT to so Ghana ha na okofa eframa no ne ne raw materials so at 20%
then grand be den o
pad na ekromu de unhu ekwala won kras me se akwala ma me bi ho no ma a whole 2 months 3 months no hini 50 Ghana and ton in Semo, 50 Ghana crowd assessor.
I know the Omanhene
Yaw. A whole year now, 100 cities. So, because I go to the bank, and I go 120. A Diana, a few on a 4 man or moody. I could like it to our own, you know. Or go top part 25, now I mean, or 25.
Oh, my dream say,
idea
strategic. Say, pardon, I call ya dear, they be abusumi be out pe.
Now, you don't know how
he said, but emwa na asa ma de kura medinya je to me ho sa pa ya approach no emwa yen because enkola e won kron ketu am no bra o mu huna mane enani bia ben sesa bai wa bibu ni
e dia monsene na ayi e pan se ntomago no de kotika yen
ah se manya me mensitinti bia min kosku because me nya bibi nsese I mean
e dia no and it's so embarrassing and a demeaning no ohini sa oba kwala wonyini se ne ho ekofo anase moja ke kan ho school a we school na no small boys ne the best no omo ni ma de kro to omo de be twetwe no and then kwala no 12 years 10 years no mo bu omo nsa how do you expect these children to go to school bebre krom de ma me bi wa ni se obeto but she say wo ma mako 9 omu nyina ye ma
nyame ya adoma
wo so ka ho
ba mu kakra bi ka wo bebo ni nyina ye ma 9
hwe e ma 9 plus oyere omo ye 5
lesi wo no
every day fane say omu nyina wo heavy flow a obeyi su be 30 cedis pad mienu enti month no obia yusu mienu by 60 by 4 by 5
32 so the one counts
no omo ye juma
why ye juma kwa
ohini
ya bua makora 12 years o ye
ohini ye bani bo
mo ye fresh o mo na mo so
ohini na wo wi ase a wako bie sanitary pad account
sometimes I ukura na wo Canada now why we masters na wo Canada kula no o je dollars price
asamba kra die
kense no so say ade na ye kan say no ohwe Ghana beba be refuse damp
just say
to say yakoyi tax na fi honum ya makwan say obi a free for sabre ye omukochucha ne China basa
no what you were saying something say they should maintain the tax
yes
but give
raw
opportunity to omo produce wa
no Ghana no
omo raw materials no 20% import duty no omo nyimfiri so ma omo na omo de ene nyefo but the quality
yes
ti de obekra free ama no ne aba no o de begumu a ne boarding obetima to 10 cedis
yes
na pound crowd de nka 5 ne
China for no mo kwa same ne copy no obecha no
copy de obama the tax
but ono na oye no Ghana say na
this say no ye
standard
same
and a copy
no we cha ne sa e ba sa so no o de bejibo a
eno na ama before mo kra boarding chain abro e wo Ghana no e kwan ya fast wa ye be ye no ne ho raw materials ne ho electricity bill any ho ne man
cost of production is just so high
boy man na me call yes baby the China mo say jami de ho mani akese eye ho anati
tonsu kwan no so
na guy na me ne ko to ne ma ya ntori o say e yo yin ni just sense bi o wa na onu ani da so say bi a ye turn 25 cedis e no be ko 75 yan toshi ne say free why buy eti nyina tax
ba ye kwa homa no so ne entie ye nuanom ma no so pad no ho asem no frey na musumo foma no ntumbi je na musumo ka kira aban no eye ne bo e na aye den ampa ana aye so ye ha ye ni eye 0551 931931 0551 931931 ya ma me no mo frey ye nua ma no so mfrey we nya me ma asem
the cardinal sin
bagwen this a cardinal sin to tax sanitary pads ya go home so hello good morning yes my dear
that's your family is come ka say free at once
yo ye ni nkomo
den ni bo aye den papa ne ki ni bo aye
e jo man to be out to say
man to me to me
I just a 30 man to be out 62 ho and sana o panty line as a my
you the same abanye bizin fa woni yi ene wo kwa jima ma o tete wo no saka kana obenya sho di bidi o sa da kwa ko
sanitary pad okay hello good morning
no man
me pa cho hwan die
daddy nkasa fi aguna chedro
oh ma min ti aguna sredo for
no man mi chemo na say yes from that is ne de mo chon pa and single parents for woman. It's uncle mine 10 years, 9 years. Not a mobile son. I see any concolano so make another make uncle out to small than 9 years. I am person penny no what 12 years. And some months now they're not both. I said months they are to go. It's a more system anymore. They're school near there.
As a movie no man to be a you 120 Ghana. Man to be a Oboka 1.2. Hey. Dabi omuye mienu enti obi a yusu 2 assist system mienu. Ebi yusu 2. Now 5 day every day yusu ba akope. Obi o flow. Nanka now masa ye nyinyo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
To hanye.
If I try to say you me free serious.
Free sunyane. Feyasi. Okay, so John me too.
Yeah, my na mi bisa say inti sanitary pad inti mi nyane Ghana yin yaika.
Ebi mu ye bi say no nana bo America say aban no created that environment. On created that environment ma amanfo to produce at a cheaper cost. Bia no hinike. Hwe COVID by ye ntimi anya ye ne nose mask. Yeah. It's ya den aban ntimi enhye companies o mo kokra no kra say mon kam homo ma na say wo ye ma usika say ana say ye wo say ye sanity pad na nyefo.
E be create employment come.
Oh, David. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho hwan ye?
If I try your famous one, that's a
O ga sa free.
Can't think for no.
O ma min tiwa no pay.
If I try, and almost kind of quiet. But almost for my end.
Almost so ka ho.
Yes, because over to be 15 cities to a half. Over 5 to 20 cities. It's almost so come with a
As omo retailing so did be to Tosopa. Okay. You didn't come on. Hello.
Oh my good morning.
Morning, my dear. Why you?
If I check them,
I do am into you.
Oh my, the man over here now you. Now put this one when you are 10 years. You know you're the man. Now this one on his first idea why. Oh my, the animals is not far. This is the family here. I will go me and start. Let me be a man. Now my children say, "Tell me this one." Well, the whole world, you're saying for my man to the man. You see, very see your million. Right.
Oh, you know, on the American.
So why 10 or 10 years?
And to one channel we neck a camera.
We just school.
Oh, it would have a man to be a Colombian in 1.2 per pad. Abba.
I dream the medium one by Johnny. Part
Electricity, my what am I? Car, Kuala Lumpur school. Hello, good morning.
Hello, my good morning.
Pacho hwan ye?
Me bacho bi dim ti mo mi di bi sia kra.
Mami tio.
Me bacho me bi to. E ma di bi o ho ba. Pad no mi ti bi. Ta am crowd pan to the no 20 break. What is 20% no? Obi am to be sick.
E ma ni bi beto ayi kwala ne pad no. Omo to diaper.
Yeah, normal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Once it's 20 pesos, and once it's 50 pesos.
Once it's 20, once it's 50 pesos. It's a man, baby, or top office or the command bar. Or one they go issue.
More heavy flow pan. Come be a 2 coin be per se. Oh, come on.
No, wash it.
What Udna the Eshan or crowd the any camera. It is also one way a peninty. And she out Hanehano to watch her tree and wash a pint more thing.
Wow, somewhere near my
Nadia, you will call one sound so. Hey, and you better die.
Sam, my problem. Oh, my goodness. Hello, good morning.
If I show good morning, my hair.
Oh, I knew.
If I show them, I'm going to fit and also.
And I meet you.
If I show Ghana handsome. Kako Burkina Faso no muna boba ko betwa atu ibia so no ni nyina ye pe e Ghana ha no monte sa ko stop ba ko tell me ye ba ko ne kan o ko stop ba ko say ade ni 15 cedis ta o ba ko e bi na 20 cedis e Ghana fo so ye nya ni e ku ye ho ye nya ni e ku ye ho e ti ye so ye hwene so ye ti mi jai sa de na e ko so na ban no ti ma ya price ba
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Omanhene.
What's your name?
You're from Mr. JD.
All right, opening it to you.
Company coordinator, I was you senior. Now, near what one say, and some part no boy, I think so much. Omanhene, when you say, and Grandma reach labor office, Kishi. I just see officer with it, paper Messacran. Oba, ultimately, sir. Who will be Sakran, not problem, say, or catch or say,
oh,
will tell the issue. because your community no your community. So now the whole cafe will be paid 20 cities and no operate. Your community tends to grab where the man corral. A tissues are using Kakano or bar no best. You want you or timber or office harvest.
Just obesret tissue now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Obesret tissue now, or the Koyan who yes were Bunisa. Oh,
it's in your hand.
Oh,
empty. And your mom
oh, say, oh, you need tissue, no, it is not meant for. I didn't know. Chemicals say, what's that tissue, mono, a bit near my qualano, and your infections. Ebubu sir and mojano intimiso mu ah tell Adea ya come as a matter of urgency and abina akuferia talent in Crawford unto na mona mu ntimu de otika mu pesika nti bibia ya taxi oh when they do maybe anai ya koya na manyosem no because obeka ye brebi NDC form bomb so boa say o ma taxi sanitary pad a taxi condom e ma mo de ya amanyosem cassette NDC a mo ba ya sanitary pad mo so mo taxi mo se NDC for a taxi condom na o mo ni mamu and am so sanitary pad she 12.5% 20% import duty how enti we no mo so amamu no ne amunim ne just ye can per what you said now, I'm a money. Munyin free so na mama ya so munye na ye nkwala no so ne ma me for ho to mo. Munyin free so na we dey aniwu. Ah, ade. Ke mo peskanti bibia mo taxi. Ade. No for ya ta u no yeli yo, yeli. Anyway, I was here for a die who Abu Dhabi as seated, and no, I seen a minimum yano logo leggy. Abu saw who you're there. Is that a very good old Dhabi? Aye.
Let's get ready to.
My name is Kwesinyantich. In this region, sports is all about
Sompa Sport. For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Are you?
Not shocked. I'm always booed. Everywhere I go, I'm booed. I like to be booed. That's why I fight hard. Because I am the king.
Ready?
I'm ready. This is my national flag. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa.
Sompa All right, Sompa 93.1 www.superfmonline.com. Of course, I don't pay. Oh, Japan now what joining and Buana Nema de Yepa. Et me Adea man 7 o'clock prepare transi. Ye bomo dena yet me at the tip of Juma Dinaba. Ababe Ramet Mirama 7:30. Ye be PJ Mune ye fieda legend Bebano Babi Tiki of Adea Akye Abia. Atwaso kama pret me Madino Abu Diabi. Media Fisa Neba. After no luta ken Bebana. Or the Amanonin Komaba. Beto aso etimiera manantetem so ye ramu dia yenko enkokura mo the black meteor so maso ye enche na chese nyambo chena eje dem darara ni nyina no Afcon U23 no ene e bom modern na qualifier na sepo no qualifiers ni ebenye ramu Paris 2024 no niama de di imperative mente Afcon U23 ena Ghana ye nya no do na ko akwako rama ye kwako bejuma na boama ne mada ye pa etimiera me na munkomo no ena abeke kokobo enwe dwa Egypt kakra ye Fiona Baba Ramu Morocco, Erepe Pa, your friend Frediachi, Ononado any HMA, where the management committee chair, Edema the Black Meteor Saraseda, Eramit Mirama, Egypt Minor, and a Queen Fasu Coco Romno, Amoji of Fesun Komosi, and Obama DJI.
We arrived in Rabat, the venue of our group, but of course, we would have to show appreciation to His Excellency Ghana's ambassador to Egypt and the staff of the Ghana mission. I mean, they were so wonderful. I mean, when they heard that we were arriving in Egypt on the night of the 12th of June, they were there in numbers. Maybe I could count up to 10 of them at the airport welcoming us. And then they took us through everything. Wherever we've been, they've been there with us in Alexandria, in Cairo, and they crowned everything under the benevolence of the ambassador, His Excellency, the ambassador to Egypt. They hosted us to dinner on the Nile, and I think it was so fantastic. I mean, it enhanced the team bonding between amongst the players. They really enjoyed it. Now we could feel that the players were really into each other, showing that togetherness, and I think that it really helped us.
Eltia no your command a paper friend Fredechi help on the timera to Jani Namono, Buana Nemadeda ye prayed a motian and coma, Omoko Kukuram Ghana, any ambassador to Egypt, no, a Pomodia and to Tini Romuye, or my guys and Omanhene Yaw to join in our way and Ra, our first training a call so or Rabat, Nina is there, ye Rena, ya Pomodia and to Tina for the first time in 20 years, no, ye no Donona Fiaco, Aqua Kuram Olympic Games and Onapua, Nabibia Dead American for conference Sunday, here first game in Congo. Referee friend Mohamed Nagi Ahmed Nagi Mosa na chesono Egypt ni obeba babe jama boa atwa yama ne madeda dimpana sister no prepare friend Sami Mohamed Abuzed ono so free Egypt impatama sister tu no Adea Abani ono ejamo etimiere ma oji ama no na fourth official no enso ye gamu UC for no so bo ejiamu edema oji ama na MC no ebe Isaka Adamu ono bo ejuma etimiere ma Niger ma no tisa pepe eno to tie etimiere na on come no ene atwiben coach Ibrahim Tanko and it was a coach. You will no to Zafre Kwejo Poku Mahala or Bujuma or US and Patamo Sombra and Mama join team no on your Mubujana. Kwejopoku come on, send the city, Shemusen or Bomo de Romumai.
Not coming, and we are looking forward to those who are here that they can do that. No, I mean for now he's not joining because the team didn't allow him. As you know, it's not a FIFA date, so we cannot force the team to release him. So for now he's not coming, and we are looking forward to those who are here that they can do that.
Eltia no your common in Chimo Pomodia de Tuja Kwejopoku and Timia Mama join his answer the team now. I'm man of Kraman after no. And if that's an Kamadin Sulemana run for the Boa con his Dorfa. Among so mon common send no City, they are no so the Jaini.
In the first place, they are not with us when we play the qualify. So we wanted them because we think they have quality that they can support us. But since they are not here, I think we will concentrate with those who we play the qualifiers with. We are 100% sure that the quality is enough for this tournament. So let's hope that we will have this squad fit for the first game against Congo.
Eltia no so echemo bomo de timiri jani nyina mo nabo ma ne makoye pastor no bizanze na nes niama ono so no ne hon komo no se ne city no so nchemu se no de mai.
I understand that we are going to have an Esnioma, but the rest cannot join us, and so we only have to concentrate on those who are here. And Enes, we knew him already. He played with us the last game, so definitely he's coming to join his colleagues. He will give us more quality on the pitch. So we are happy that he will join us. Well.
Eltia no so your commo de timere friend nest niama wan ina boa ama niama dadi no ne we bizanze na team selection ankasa no nante do se ne de omo roma ye de omo kwa bo adwuma no so nkomo se no de jai.
Here with 26 players, definitely we have to give everyone a chance to show what he can do at the tournament. And as I said, and all of them show that if we give them a chance, they can help us at the tournament. So it's a very good thing for the team.
Eltia no your command coach Ibrahim Tanko apomodi timere jetiere animu se Sunday your first game ni betimi ram tournament nankasa e betimi ashase nyamboa ochna ntiere se bibia de dadia ye bomodi na dan de nyina update no eromu kama prior timi edi amanra ene hu said the 29th ordinary congress no efi abomodi de release bi aba sense se kakra etimi aba enkan no be ke omo confirm ye zenanka ya woda 6 July 2023 na nke be so great talk UST barni and Sisiaba ya twe require mo ya Chelsea on the 10th July 2023 e wo great hall hona jumadi no e Japan na etimi akoso na boama ne madeda ye pa etimi era momonra wotama limpata monokati ya so kreku the Ghana Football Association president bomode Erama Mohamed Sakina Nazara okokoko shano ni na ye refia eni na jeze kobli eche no bo na honsem no na ano edin ye papa na jeze refi no na ya munini ade tina was if president Eramo e won patamu no okokoko chiano e bo modi ni din commotion in crime say edwuma na oyɛ no onko so a na ontimi nyane mwana ne mande da yie pa entimi emfa emom yezenra na Northern Regional Football Association Chalaji Hassan Rise no Eramubi John Ansano so Eugene Noble enso Eramubi na Henry Asante Chumomo NMP mfo ekoko pie momo boama ebibia edida yie kama pa so etimi edi emomo na mo nso no niama ne deda di anra obono mpata mo na enyare ketwa ne nyina ne All Star Festival na munkomo no nede eni bono sale side no ene hosti the Black Stars of Ghana na no edempa we no join here time no mo ko nyakwako ramu ewo Omanhene Yaw no omutu efi sunyane no and on the guys ni nyina ka edi abuma na jeze omo eyi aye eda twere ampunyankopo asesere be ya obejo mo tata de omo akwakudu asunje na ne ma dade era mo na kra mo tama no mo romo ewa abamprigase abomodin akọ na yetimi akwakọ entutu ni ye na ne osaye force ade o na najima bedu the second yakọ ne na ase na nkomodidie no etimi eromo no mo kọ no nkomodidie ni timi kọ so na na bomodie di nkomo bia na ede ye party na no pay o Omanhene Yaw na jeze anopope na ahmachi no awawo na ye babema na jeze yazine ye didedi ne eto no na akwada no so no ye behwe na kosiso benyi akọ schools awdo na aba be ejuma na nkomo sei ena osaye force ade ye na najima bedu ebomodie timere tuja
Bye no aye ni so ye will be a drag ebede ye baby amana so na mo mti do Omanhene bread na china oba called Omanhene Hospital minim every saa china oba ko awo so oba wo afa ne pa odikane Omanhene Hospital ye de saa akrei ebato Andrew dede ayu Oya bao anapa number 1 mama okay and then another never been can say baba wo me kane oya china ya de ba to yewura yewura no okotwe doma ye ba shana ko sisi obepaja na ho ba de obewie a oya adwuma
Ati aroya komanda obomodie timeri tuja na jese mu edeye papa ti alsaje force ade ona na jama bedu the second artisan pa ne nkomo no di ne jeze ne edi anopezo bia wodoma no ne wo kanea automatically oyebema akra ni di ne 100 da you omo a ene behwe na yahwa akra na aboa na ebibi akoye pere mama after no 100 da you captain Edman the Black Stars sitting nkomo the aseda ramsey no ne senu tuja.
Thank you for the gift. We thank you for the love and the support shown to the team, the players, and the staff. Like I said, Ghana is a very great country, and everybody in Ghana has to be able to see their stars, to see their loved ones. And today, us being here, we are very grateful. We love it. Personally, myself, I will be here again. This is not the first and the last time. Yes.
Atiano ya komo bomodie timeri tuja ni nyina mo eboa ma ne makoye pre timeri manti dede ne da se wi no de tuja zo kwa ojiri so obese aba na wase aba be romantic game na chance ya no ye boy wi no na nei the Black Stars of Ghana abomodin abomienu a na chese nei no abono stars omo entimiante on really da you enya the first goal after no anu Jordan ayu penalty or converting a kama pa eboa man hye no ko yi so no etimiere ba after no enwumre no na Uramo Omanhene Yaw na si na kronu mutie otumu se na mu ede pa ni nyina na ze we no betwa betwi o na omo di Uramo eboa man hye de da di so no etimi ede mo nti sa pepe e si etie na mami fi ona menko enkokodi komo akra wo Benin na enei Abrantier friend Derek Alimo Mels eso ye Ghana ni obuejuma o Benin patamona na ye bisa no de di kan se onua na teams bebrebe a wo Ghana ha yi ne ball o mu bo de wanya bebi a Benin na so beko na de mpa na do kokoro mu Benin enkomo se no obo mo de dijai
so Ghana han so ba no em say amba the hase buy no na me de me tikon dem ko shese sana hon so ti ba nkamenya kamebo han so ba na enye kunya wa sentina di film ko because the relationship they have with the agent this is not the first time our agency did play at Ekohon, so they know the agents very well. I say like BBI easy Amaya, almost Pegania players who can say you are from Ghana. They really like you. We are good in Kwandi and the Asewasem they really like you so much.
Eltia no ya komo po modi etimeri cha cheche mu ni ade na ne enimze bia skantino akọ ramo beni na wono sikasem na nka so league no se ne sitie
mu ya ka say a difference be a name from Ghana there no the same football na am ka say the year hodum kakra ni their financial problem na okay aji crown lowest crown pon uji be say 15,000 say 3k
Eltia no ya komo DJ na jeze na kroma ye bregu pa na beni dia wanje kra no be say 30 million enka ni sika no na dia bi muji 2.5 brady asebe kra ni na aboami we kakra o za kroma so de o peja zaman konfozi juju o pa na o ko en wan bibi jeze juju o kroma.
Even in the team like our teammates and Sompa, we see some they don't care about those things like Obian say like that's how they are, so like Omuye Bibia they don't care about those things. Do send me there Jumapa.
Eltia no ye command ne Romo Ekokodi Benina Nache Derek Alimo Mels. Of course Ghana New Jana na so bejuma na wo se ne ye rerama na obomode chichi mu na board no so de obopa na ejuma ye no ne nya de ketwa DM ze Ghana de ye mrante no omashita bibia ne mekoyi kama pede mo Media Sporting Club Limited nra and omo confirm yes Fiase Golden Royal Ladies FC omo nya bomodin etimi san partnership bia ne omo na eba ababe omo martin ni nyina ne so onya akwenya ekokuru mu Africa no na akwa akogbo ejuma e wo so bomodin na oye ntutu ni na bibia ekoyi kama permizanze ne omo bomodin aka Africa requirement ne hwesa ne ma ni nyina ewuzampa ba na wo ba no wo martin ma obetimi ne omo aye ejuma club license on sensem na aboama tutu na dadin so etimi era menu Fiona Romo Karela United o Masuya eni reporter nyebobo ere ba no just the players here di sui omo ntimi ne omo embo ejuma ne bi na nche official release in Baba Senator your Daniel Kofi Paha Joseph Dinku Kwejo Ade our former captain no Kwiku say Emmanuel Isando Prince Asempa Miami Asempa Inoka Blenyo and fi yo Salim Iliasu Emmanuel Anafo and Philip Flamini di omudine bobo de ba na mon players omuni abre omo peso mu sign omo no Enoch Evans Adomaku Redu the Gomonga Ojohnny Omulon ejuma de wakwe bia momopa Prince Kwame Dogbe obo ejuma de Makotoku Royals Ali Mohammed Tamale Sirina Afino Emmanuel Kanto and so bo ejuma etimi de Master Fast etiano ye reporter efu e ba mamen come man atranse 15 minutes na aka no ye ko amanonen komo eto aso de amamo.
Right, Brana Sansuna no paina, ye be breaking it down, na ya touching it down, na ya knocking it down, ni nyada jejamu yompo, ewa manonin semwe diamani enshase, every AS Roma, omo Brante Bakwa, we Dutch winger, ye friend Justin Clovet, ni papa, and ni Patrick Clovet, and ne, opium edema Premier League teamer, ye friend Bomov, and ne Friday, and opiobe Medicano, na swen Medicano so to be pass here, officially 5-year contract Brente Justin Clovet ebe sign Edama bomb of Bobo Kono and watching Sika ebetima PM Edama AS Roma 9.5 million pounds na add-ons no akwe 850,000 pounds and you so far no ma editama ye jejamu Edama and nano point median so now back at Newcastle United Ramo AC Milan for Brente already 23 years your friend Sandro Tonali na Brente and Ram ebe to just bia dan na no ne ko ni agenta ye fe ni Bepe Riso and ye so panyini eno kre de yete and nsem na ye fadema ye listeners no kre be no so Sompa no kre trodo na modema mo listeners no viewers no na me kokra no me kwakopem Romania na Romania ukwa dai Mr Bepe Riso as wo ko na player ye friend Sandro Tonali ono e won vacation no makohwe na bibia so atma ye kama no adwani team ye friend Newcastle United nessa Brighton free AC Milan deal no and we church mo e details no enyina demamon Sompa Brighton no said or join Timomo Premier League ma ye fe Newcastle United and no edeba ye jam edamam and ne e odwumade no so and we chere nwra Marcelo Brozovic or no e bodma Inter Milan about 3 days ago and I'm the two anim and so Rama Al Nassr Bobo Komo Saudi Arabia and so mo peno Inter Milan and so mo pay 25 million euros and una Al Nassr at the 15 million euros by Inter Milan Eric Jactier and watching ya Sanra the 18 million euros neba Diamete and they said 3 parties and we Al Nassr Inter Milan and a plan within 72 hours official announcement betmaba as or joining Saudi Arabian club your friend Al Nassr but be see Ronaldo Misun Kumalewa or Sina Kaino Diamete some parties no or more ye a rich agreement no man not Danakwamo talks to me very positive and we the free Marcelo Brozovic Oba ya de Emma Munano Prime Gemramo Juventus almost Upemo American winger or Bodman Lille or friendly Anom your friend Timothy Weah Aquadano or Pemo Juventus Bobo Konom Juma Oba Bayano a Juma Pemo Juva or Monia Papa Neska Juve a Triadiamatima your friend Lille a 15 million euros and watching Omobetimi Dennis Zakaria Akadiano Akumali no Makwaji Timothy Weah no Ababa Juma Edamomo then watching the Trababia Juventus coach Oda Omonia Bra season and Koyamono upon Ensembebra a 2 Juventus now coach of vacation or Penny say or John Kakra or relax now Max Allegri and a debut channel or Penny Tun Cromono or Penna Danaho I no matter tired man in Juventus or manager your friend Maximiliano Allegri and so far was it or release stress Kakra I want to join home and no idea by your German as Adama Miromo killing Mbappe now your Jumon I say Dama Munano Pai Diamete and said don't from Tigare I'm a course no Afrufusena no Afrufulanini no Adea a Brante so Pemo ML let's ML of Qatar or Pena PSG Anitiano or ni Florentino Perez or Manya Jotum as a Brente killing Mbappe said and run up but it was himself former Real Madrid goalkeeper where Nassar Khalifi ni Chocho Muchoni close friend you know a Penina your friend El Paco Buyo me then on Samba 2 and him say was he killing Mbappe better touch it down El Madrid no Assembly Yabam Opema PSG see 250 million euros as he come there to killing Mbappe so Florentino Perez I just to Mr. Madrid betua the 250 million euros no ni breakdown here no 200 million euros and no SCK PSG abaji dey free Real Madrid ho na 50 million euros no akwa add-ons and bonuses eso dia ba dia meta no ma de dana kwa mo ama killing Mbappe mame abusua no any planning and say omo hwe so beba pemo Madrid no ma be prepare grounds any baby akora no bo beda ama bia so atma kama ni nyina say PSG eso man ton sama we a next summer or beba Madrid as a free agent omnya 250 million euros na bebo team ni eno ede ba ye jamu edamam ene anopai yegusu team konwa so yenwra mo Germany Sadio Mane yenwra mo na so ye kakra de ba na anopai ene sa Branton upon a huge offer a free Saudi Arabia eba you know was already on send position once sana adwene obegusu atene team when bamunchen obeba preseason the first season ankoi amfama no or pese or prove obia wrong emo bounce ampa or a world class player and tournament or besia ba preseason abebo adwuma edama bamunchen e Germany on Saudi Arabia and kwa adwuma mfama team bia eno edefro eba El Nassr for no na se omo amfa ansampa and what you call bamunchina Sarkodie still or your target Thomas Tuchel akacha almost a player ohiano striker ohiano a Hurricane na omo tete and on Crawford Hurricane I reject omo bamunchin omo offer no omo senya no crystal ogusu omo targeta omo Hurricane management team komo eno edeba na pem bamunchina omo somero Manchester City omo through the beam you have Calvin Phillips na kodano bamunchin so mo good relationship with Calvin Phillips ni agency no from CAA Stella na person mo de ne ba aso mo new number 6 no be badwuma kama eso edima wo mo eno edefro eba ye jejam edama mo na no pai e odwuma
dwumadi no so Jengramo Andre Onana Inter Milan goalkeeper no wabepia mo Yaoundé Cameroon after a season no wabafie no obeni nyina no say or foundation bi Yaoundé na obepia mo no oso ne foundation no empanyimfo kwotena sidi nkwamo no mo hwe no ma edida na akwamo no mo so far de oso mo yede boa ema foundation koso no opia mo Yaoundé no na crowd no epu ebehwe no Adea superstar ba the best goalkeeper opia mo bi bremu ayehu no so seso da UEFA Champions League final no jamduma Inter Milan waba opia beso o chani bi ka no dem so nya ka kuma we chese Range Rover no papa ni bia enye honhon ni bia we hu ni bia eno dem a white color eno Brent Andre Onana wabe pemo Yaoundé Johnny ya ono ene daso a fans na pudi na chi a emotionally wasi entimi pa mini eno edefro eba yenwra mo Morocco obekaya omo adwani Portugal and Spain for World Cup 2030 bid na Morocco so mo pese omu si 93,000 seater capacity stadium ebefa nipa 93,000 na omu so di aboa na World Cup ombe host 2030 no omunya hosting right na no manyina tuma kwa diamomo na omu se 2030 omu host World Cup beyon peso omu si stadium no ye fro Ben Slimani ho eno peso omu si stadium no na enu achinura abeto dwa so pema FIFA officially omu si bidders way eno metuma show interest World Cup 2030 on peso omunya hosting right do di kind Spain Portugal and Morocco and another country and a continent on person most no of South America Comebol for Argentina Chile and a Paraguay and Uruguay so person we joint na co-host to said Spain Portugal Morocco so we joint na co-host no and besides Saudi Arabia upon huge investment 2030 World Cup no host to be an hosting right no mumpe they made say Spain Portugal Morocco bedene esom nsabetmaka entomsu pull out from bid enya enkotum for 2030 World Cup no eno edeba ye jejamu edema mu nanopai otumadi no so enya FIFA executive council no ebetena say meeting by ya opiamo Congo DR ni nyina no say otwa the month of April eno setting normalization committee ewo DR Congo ni nyina no some football association no Kwene and a FIFA executive council ebetra say na omo ratify no ma bia ekoso normalization committee ombemana toaso anase omo be jeffro no mama efena konya ese DR Congo football no omunya elections no omo so take over ni nyina no omo transfer be pie bia no ye do nsam edbedamo jenwrom ni antwa abranti efen Sergio Busquets and we piemo Inter Miami ewo America MLS no wani Messi na kuntunkuni and ekosi akan owura no 2.5 year seasons and wasane okoba adwuma edi ama womo eno edi ba no na owura ma Gareth Bale edi atudwa eso hwe Busquets woni Messi koba adwuma echese MLS no na kuntunkuri Messi obe enjoy papa eno ensema opa India atudwa ye di emam ene anopa odwuma die no so yenwra mo Flamengo na owura mo Flamengo enra omadi ntwo Brazil Serie A no na ntwo no Matima, your former Bragantino, Flamengo, Canine, or international players, now Akecha Omui, or Trump said David Lewis, or Trump said Arturo Vidal, now Trump said Arescata, Nasa Ocha, SR players way, Akecha Flamengo players, now Obia, and you know, moment to the boy Yaka, David Lewis, Jordan Toba Pa, not where Yaka, so Midrago Pramanswa, not Omazube, Norman Quay, Omuya Tam Quay, Nasomasa. No Flamengo the from us by the amamo na me jade we mu aso edi amamo ni nyina no say a play away a musician Oko Nigerian singer your friend Ayo Diji Ibrahim the don friend Ayo Ibrahim ni dianka say Wizkid na sa woni mpo papa why say misum kuma lewa Ronaldo why say ogudu papa Ronaldo where Tottenham Hotspur Stadium nie na me pa 29 June or be concert bi ho the live band show no ho ene be totwa na omuko inspection of Tottenham Hotspur Stadium and on ma Wizkid ball and eno na dan na no eno ene dan na oni bossa de me a metim de bon e ni bia ene whiskey no ene odi po yi akeche shannon so so wanya nomination BET Awards ebe to join the 26 June no na se o gisa award ni bia na 29 for be born show no am a bia so fine eno e de down na ni show no abebo no whiskey de dia so more love less ego, more love less ego eno edetawa ye jejamu esodama ene anopai e wodwumadi no so ye gusu tinkonwa so e break no ma down e touch no ma down e jejamu edama na ye nwrom ne ntwe nema eno aso pema nema ne charity foundation no omutimi ye na we nema charitable foundation event to dwanra ye ntwe nema abra oba na one ne yire ne girlfriend no Bruna ene ne bana ye friend no David Luca omu etwetwa pictures no yentwe eno kakra na nya fedi agro o twa na so mo ba o se stop wo ne ma ban wadi 12 years sika ofi akoda nsori anadu ensu adwene akora hwe tai wo miani suit da no ne papa abra no one ababa your friend Carolina etwempena no one ne wo ye na mu oni Bruna de Bruna gina wanyem April no de announcement ba yeso wanyem enche oni nema epenya first child na nema mana be tu enura na se nema ne charitable foundation event no twitwa pictures na yentwe abrana say dwumadie no event no ekoso name akura microphone na name ekasa ni nyina no say omukwa omotonton Jesus omo wo hye no ma sika ompenya no na say omde bia boa yuta no mam ayedene abrabom ayedene eso ede ama wo mo na name ekasa dwumadie na so na Jimmy Balla onso NBA player Bodman Miami Heat wa PM Brazil na yentwe tama oni enema ekwa event na say na omote nema onu ankasa na helicopter num na omote omote airco na enya fedi agrokra eno event no na ekos we no ma me nkyem ma yatwefo we baba wa ye friend no kazi o ye blogger onu enenya Messi trophy no na se omote aba na se kazi na se onu gira suit na o gira na baba wa no presentation camera baba wa no ne gwan na wa shana efe we ye dima blogger kazi no ma bia so ye kama event na say Messi trophy no na say bia eso enya kama eno ededawa ye de emam dwumadie no so ebo 9:30 na say ba nema munya ankoni Jimmy Balla etin helicopter num na ekoto na nka be mede na say bia so ye fine eno ededawa ye de emam ye nyina so na ye mfa ensem no eso emfa ensia na no pai na ebo 9:30 na say full time brand so ye de aka nyina no ebesan aba bedamo na bia kama international Abu Dhabi
Luda
ene yankasa ye brother Sompa electrician Steven Ata Boakye ene enawoda
CEO de ma boat electrical engineer
airport runabout adana this year no
brata
na omrani bi oba o shahwe utimi etam card to
side
biposo amanten Atabuatin.
Oh wow. Biposo amante Atabuatin. Happy birthday from my brother.
Biposo baby a second one.
Oh okay.
Dr. Keke Sapon Krumo.
Okay.
Ne fefri ho. Na ne fefri amanten.
Wow.
Aye. Steven Atabuatin.
Oh you nipa say nipa
papa. Na unsa na taba akwa bruchiri.
Oh wow.
Enti na onu di ne birthday no.
No
ba me nim so no ye junior na say we na ye junior.
Oh e be bisa say na ye dey ni be hia.
Tama no obobo no.
Eh Lutake.
Ye friend Nyaminti. We defend abom no ansada nya ade na ntwa
Lutake
Nyaminti ntwa
o dey member na brother na dey area be dedicated mo ebeze djuma ma so ogbo djuma pa ti Nyamisha na onyo kese na ne etimi ayo da no ti ero apem legend ba na dey akidi ato asere amamo
Tua ebeiso onipa yenim na wia no yenso kane ahwene nim anadwo okay emerima wonim amuzu herbal clinic no
woye mre won pamu a na entimi nyina so a wo kɔ hɔ ma wo hwe won na hoɔden bi a wonya no chai
ayenu kura wura bra nebo meka so be jama ye ne meme adi amuzu herbal clinic ho adanse ani gi a wode abra hie
se mi kunu ye mre a ɔkɔ hɔ bae difference bi asifie ho na aha ye kwa hu ntra
ya ti asem pa early ejaculation, severe waist pains, prostate disorders, low sperm count, STDs, stroke, or some simple cry.
Emma, yes, you call Kunya Yarisau.
And say a man in Memena, I are heavy.
Typhoid, stomach ulcer, cocoa, arthritis, yenemu ntine etwetwe sciatica, ene nyayewa nkai.
Ultra modern lab and ultrasound scan. Ya wodi yenhwehwemu ansa na wa mo adura bejewo.
Wo watafo nhyae so Amuzu Junction, Ebemoro Market.
Afei Achimota, Christian Village, opposite Puma Filling Station.
And the Sunyan area 3. Fre
0247 776743.
Amuzu Herbal Clinic.
Mauji Hiochalo.
Anokwa winni mawarie. Enu ntina metewo so anama sorry no.
Me do me da se. Na we de asa wo hoahoa me dudu ana wani da bibi so.
Say Yas kitchen towel and Yas washing powder. Me yes me pebi asoma hohoi. Ana what 20 do so po abego yo. Oh, say Yas sanitary pad extra long. And then the panty line nyina. So ka ho bio. And ya busumi ya ye de.
Yas product de unya no wa yusu. Wo Yas toilet tissue. Yas herbal toothpaste and then a brusher is siankasa. Yas liquid soap and ya candy edisi fie nyina. Osawo Yas baby wipes a moto na esham na odi siesie akwada no ho a enya no rashes bia.
Oh, Yas product die. Amani gia befiankasa.
Yas product die e Leicester Ghana Limited for ne dia bedwaso. Etufon for money nkyere dum. Omo ben otumfo statue na wo kejeti runabout no. E na hinema kokoben omo wo boase kwan no so. From 0501 390 338 and now 0322 034 222 and now 0244 595 575. Yas products.
Amawuniya bafie.
If you rest day bio.
Ewra, shoka say ye na want to approach that. What?
Nkama no ntuma ni amfa ma me so.
Emrafo fro abani. Wo yare 1 week na ho nto ho a metu afrifia. Esan, mempe gon too soon bia wo fia.
Enti sisi ye yare aye nya den.
Monko Grace Gifts Herbal Clinic. Sabe kwata achachane emu mpa ho a. Yare bia obese ye fro so. Apart from Kumasi Ohim ene atwuma kofodua. Wa be bie branch kase pa wa Chimota. Petroleum Bungalow. Family Life School opposite ho a.
Grace Gift Herbal Clinic. Dr. Grace Buedu edano ne de. Eye no kre wa ben pa.
Awo na wo penes wo mo duro ne wa nhwe ya. Wo be hu mienu asemiensa bom. Prostate, ulcer, cancer, typhoid, stroke, diabetes ne hypertension no nyina. Eye ni fichire. Wo ya bema na bema ni so. Dr. Grace Buedu no eyi ato ne nsam. Edi abibedura soso. Ama mu apagya ya kasi dudu. The do size awa wo pa. No stop no.
Anya mi ko pagya mi de mu kakra.
Udi peja. Minim Grace Gift Herbal Clinic ho. Mo one phone numbers here. 0246 518 003 and 0244 126 123. FDA aje jedin krate atum. Mirror. Now what did you read?
Annie, but me pa.
Oh, the kakraka home me do wiase. What do you wait to know? Oh, be any of you.
Hey, Jimmy na minye. Na unim madam for ba me check kakra do the excuse me kakra why?
Yes, my love.
Hey, dey na asie. Enye wife free na. Usisi yare ene kokko nti. Won fa onye hwe no.
Annie o, Mrs. Yare nti. Na mo ba be ade so akra ma no. Na u ka se wo kire me otwea herbal powder. Se me nom no.
Otwea herbal powder.
Enu na aboa me yi Mrs. Yare ni nyina free hono mo a. Ti se mitimi koto sori a. Ma fire.
Afed was samrane. Otria. Ejade hrewa. Wanga sabeba. Otria eba powder. He, eba sisiare no msaro dia. Eyedwuma pa. Enkanso apemfo abata wo ma manufo. Ene nkwada wo nimfie dumienu de wonka ho. Wo padudu otria. Divine Hope Herbal Center. Swami Kumasi. Free 059 156 5557 and 0551 228 281. And abenye binsu pharmacy. Herbal and over the counter medicine shops. Otria herbal powder. A jade sewa me say. One kasa beba.
FDA aje jodi nkratu yatum.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of the lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of the lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of the lives.
That's Gangsta Paradise, y'all. A song by Bullion. DJ Omanhene on the case, y'all.
Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't I was raised by the street, so I gotta be down with the hood.
You see, after 7:30, I'll take you back memory lane with about 2 or 3 songs. Enjoy.
With money on my mind, got my 10 in my.
That's your magazine program. Adea Akye Abia. Today is Friday special.
And my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we heard are you?
Gangsta Paradise. Gangsta Paradise. I'm not one in tea. Oh, we are rap. We are near Gangsta Paradise. They are Jaku. We are not the Academy. Here are the
power and the money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand.
That was Gangsta Paradise. Listen to this one too. That's Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Heavy D. Powerful lyrics, you know.
Y'all ready? Tell me who be that?
Come on, do the boogie wherever you are. Friday we wind down. Come on, relaxing, kakra.
Big Dada, Papi Grande.
Hey, Boozy, my man, do the boogie, man.
My belly stay jiggling, keeping your backside wiggling. Who bigger it? Than me?
Hey.
Nobody. Have got it, on the rock a party. I be sending chills to your body. And y'all ain't seen nothing quite like me. I be getting down on the MIC.
All right, Abia, you're the 7th for the best success. So I had no more again.
Have Biggie, Niggy, be jiggy. Baby, you ready for Big Daddy?
How do you need it? Come on for the Asabruta.
Big Daddy, Big
Daddy.
Say what? Say what?
Say what?
Check me out. However do you want it? Say what?
However do you need it? See, awesome.
I push ranges and sixes while you getting chump change in the business. Things look delicious.
Hey, good man.
Change look suspicious. What is it? Must be the fame and the digits. Big kid from Mount V. In the top 10, you count me. Rhyming off a track bouncy. Ladies hound me. When I'm the young and old folks. Thanks to the banks that hold my goods. Make the crowd wiggle like spaghetti. Water bet. Baby, are you ready? Spend it. Deep been big since the beginning. Stay winning, grinning, have chillin'. Check it out. Who got the hottest record out? Have water, you can't get your red short. I be in Beverly Hills chillin'. Ladies love me, Big Daddy, 1 in a million.
You really made this song very popular.
Come on.
However do you need it?
Big Daddy.
However do you want it?
That's right.
However do you need it? However do you want it?
Big Daddy.
However do you need it?
Big Daddy. Big Daddy.
Yo, all the ladies wanna know is where Gruff at. They love that smooth Harlem World Thug cat.
Hey, good man, this is
I'm
classic.
the one they blush at, rush at, in the Vigor plush at. Me and Hep Diggy stay fly, dress jiggy. Got bad girls who want lines.
Big ups to all the guys at the Doom.
Even going lesser.
Ajakuma Bro Sanse, all the Malcolm.
Word it up town, pass it around.
And all the folks like guys. Charlie, good morning. They got you as a food in Backy Collections and all the guys. Chill this morning, you know. Pressure will promo.
When it come to Gruff and Big Daddy.
Okay, my minister is going to think, come on, and I don't pay. Memorandum and Trassi. No money I'm home to say.
Oh, but then that room.
Maybe I will call. What them who watch it?
Bishop Jananti Niti. I 1 year, you want it.
I do man doors from our food doors from outdoor. Minia,
Chancellor.
You see a chancellor there, you say,
Aka.
What's the too much pure? I am a chancellor.
Morning show for Nina.
Hey, I said, I mean, what was some car? When I made some money, the young kind of womb.
So, would you to a minute net yourself?
Eti chancellor, Omanhene Yaw do watch it.
Simple.
Hey, I mean, I know you. Where you come on?
Come on, cry.
I have a come on, cry. Yeah, Gaza.
Yo. If that's your mind,
etiefo ne ahwefo nso ya tie obi bia ne am obi bia kwa abade aba Semen Herbal Clinic ayaresa bia ye Kumasi asokore mampon say ye ba betena ase ya no bia nim say yade ho asem ne ye ba beka na say na say ya so ya ye din fa kese na no ya ye bu nua gu ya so minim say economic crunch no nti say den o ase ye nyina obi aso ayehye de tene say ene wu ni nipa kasa na utunifo afa sede obeti abɔ ne ho ban ho a na oposa ne baabi na de tene say nipa pii na efrɛ a na me numadro we me hu sa me mfia me ya me started say me therapy ahodo nanso still na enko ni akatro say se wanye nhwehwemu a da bia ye siso ka say yade a na ye yade no enye yade say wo ho no na yade na ba na emom de obeye ho no lifestyle say yade bia ko lifestyle into we dey share back to memory lane a tete no yana na no musa yade bia na ye bubo obodin na bi ni ho enti enne ikra no omo ye nhwehwemu ekoso nyina akra no still ye nya din akasa mfama sa yade no enti bo se ni nyina na aka abom hwe wo hwe HIV yesi babaso gonorrhea babaso syphilis babaso chlamydia babaso adenti ne na nanom anya din ama no enne kire o se sa yade we ne na ni ho free tete enne aye self inflicted ye akasa eniema bi aye ho no ye lifestyle no enne elie die tu sa yade no na ye hu se na otwe atwa mu ni na otwe mu nyina no yade a nkofo de ba na se niema nkofo de ba nyina ya wo ho nsensem fa kese na nanti emaye ya adwen se ne ye be ye hwehwemu asiase ne ye hu se denti na saa ohawe ye do so saa bo so obebusa no na emu fa kese na omunya namu yade anase sexual infections bia omunim so treat amane ko because symptoms no ana dead no omunim se symptoms ne ko de no ano yade ne ko ye mom hu se sa aboa we no emo we no mo ho den betuma bo bidin chlamydia trichomatis wo wuti aboa we din a
we also am crash
Nigeria gonorrhea ti din no enti eno ena ma ne ye hu pa se wo se nipa bia ye tena se na ye hwehwe ye mu ye ansa na eduro kra ye benom a ya no eduro enti bo se ebi mu te ba bi no mo ye se habenre wo no ma ese wo sawa ana se ese wo kidney ese wo liver me pa cho nya sa na tie de tene se Ghana ha ya so brache ye tonro indiscriminately wa bra ye nya nhwehwemu eno na Semen Herbal Clinic ye tro se ye ho no ba ye do fa lab num na ye hunu yade no the course de yade ne ba ya fe ni esi ano kwan de amawo enura wo se yade ma no eye nhaban enubra afe enuane ada bia odi bi wo fie mine last me be kan wa se ya ye juice bi wo ho no ma sa juice no wo ba ho eno ne de edi kan yade be ma wo se de o yade ne tie bia enompem o se ye infection o se ye den o yade ma wa na ho se wo ankasa bibia ye den afru ni padua no enti obia mo na mo no mra Semen Herbal Clinic Kumasi asokore mampon na ye befa sa kwanya su ni atufu kakra afa gonorrhea ho ye di kan ka se aboa odi gonorrhea ba no ye friend Nigeria gonorrhea na aboa yi ne ho den pa se obetena ni padua no otete wa timi ko wa adwene mu nyina e ma wa adwene mu ye o he nti ubo so bibenya gonorrhea no ida se nani bo se nani prunsuo sa wa ye photophobia ontimi hwe kanea wa ye sensitive to light afa nani na tina honhono nti so hunu sa ne ma we bia hu se aboa ne bia ba betena ni padua no o ye wo sa no afa obi won so na complain se ne sisi na tibra mu nyina ye ne ya yenim se malaria typhoid ulcer hepatitis B ni nyina timi ma sa o ha no timi kom ana say UTI cry urinary tract infection cry timi ya o sa pepepe na se wo be hu se gonorrhea just what the Semen Herbal Clinic na ye nhwehwemu ni ye hu se bia ni aboa o enuro na ye wo ne de tatahwe na ye hu stage no kwan no na be boa yen am ye hu se eduro we na wo se ye de ma na ahoto na wie peye afen so obi wo hono ma sabi oba ne be ma so mu din hye bo so oba ne complain se sabi na ya se ne ya oti ya wo pa wo no mu me pa to bra Semens ne ye mo afen so ye be ma sabi na wo hwa no ahonhono na o se waten so anu na sakala kakra ase ayekọ me pa to infant na ho na odi agro bekun bra Semens na Semens mo na anya wa hoto afen so yo bi a ensuo fitaa bi furu be memba obu ha ne de ne nka wo mpa obu won so ne de no bo se moja nkasa na wo obi so asabi ne to kwan na ho nyina yekuro wotina hɔ no ma ka kyerɛ sɛ aboa no hunam dua kwan de ba bia owura
otimi ra
obetetew saa
okay
this oba Siemens enye sɛ utriti symptoms na hu sɛ symptoms no akɔ form na sɛ ekɔ no tina sɛ wawie aboa no kɔ akɔte baabi otimi kɔ hyɛ wadwene sɛ dem di kan no obegya wadwene mu hawo entina hɔ ma ne nru saa stage no na yɛ kan yade ahodo nyina yɛ hwɛ wɔ Siemens Herbal Clinic sɛ malaria ulcer typhoid diabetes high blood pressure we Siemens ensan kofie nti gye number no na de frɛ ne ani nkomo
okay
0240 61
61
60
60
61
61
0240 61
60 61
afei 0205
57
35 55 0205 57 35 55 na mekan obi wa ne ahye ne catheter ohuna mane me pato bra na Siemens fo yenyi catheter ne nto ho ma say prostate en wanya bra ne yenyi nto ho ma se eye kokuram cancer bra Siemens say breast cancer na say colon cancer wo ba ye betima abo na sa o ha nyina candidiasis no nyina ye yi ni nyina afiri ho ama na wa hoto na wie pe ayaresa no e wo Siemens nti ye say we trust in divine healing ye do nyankopon tumi kase no e na desire de na afi ono ani nim de a ode adom yen e fa nhaban ene enuane a ye di bi wa afie no ne ye de bi aboa wo afi ye betro kwan a befa so a obedidi ne kwan a befa so a obenom na bibia nso atodin de ama wo man chancellor we jama doctor
agan
chairman meko agan ti meka asem me sister bi na enkomo bi a odi na aya me ti bi sa na me ra ho unim say chancellor otimi ka say ono ne de or natural family planning one sabi ne guy shia ensu ne saba nti ono on share yida no tu obi fo family na me tie enkomo ni di ne say ye mfrɛ wo na de kɔbɔ so a wonya asem nti eja na de hu ne say de sinu no onim so infection awode na no kwan esi eti suo no kwa esan beba na onim se o se de sabi o be se o yegu mu nti no ne ho beto ne bedru mra obehia na akwa ya enduro so na akwa chichichichi eti se wutie na o ye oba na o sa problem me bompa se bia o tie ya ontu ho anamo no mra Siemens ne hwe no na Omanhene ye bekọ so na se agan se de bia abefa bia no chancellor oduro no ma unya ba bi na ado na asi se de kan no the whole of last month e be nyina ye ntefa ako ye ko ha ne ye kwa because dodo are be ko ye be fro se chema o de ba ya asa adansi a nipa e difa agan ho no Siemens Vita no Omanhene anu ayeden aburo so sometimes say o ye aduro na say aduro ni ye na adansi ne ba nipa no no mu nya ho me say wholesale bi e aduro na ko bia be ko chief ma aduro de o mo be fa nyino mo ba adansi o mu di no wachi aduro na ye pa o mi akra me sha ase anu bi eti say utie na say unum bia de na wo twen Omanhene unim say ye ba be ko weekends yi mema bi yam hyehye wo mo obekwa a sebi ne yiri wo fie a obenya kwan ene na di nkomo papa no osuro enu hu titi ode be hye adwuma yasma ese yenko ese yasma ese yenko aho ode sebi ode be hye oba eni o eti se wo ye bema anaso oba na utie me na no pay na obusa se eduro no eduro ben eduro no ye Siemens Vita Herbal Mixture na hutedin broni si aka ene agan no enam djuma edi enti na obusa se de na eduro no ye me pa cho eduro no emema ne ma ne no ana eduro no ye woni nsuo ene ne topaye nisuo ne ntopaye na de etie nie wo ye bema no aye mere wo mpam na ese si e woje mu Omanhene obi de akura de sebi ade enche de oko oguso ofa yi na adwojo eno kra de mani dwedwe wan hwe obebo asu so oba no mfere opo obebo asu ko wa gene na sebi afa dwumadie ni koso na obema na dwo yase bibia obema bi so on ma ne de nsore kra wo ye bema na se utiem na wo hawi bia hawo ho koto Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture aka agan no koto aduro ni bi wo ye bema na so ha koto bi Omanhene aduro enye Viagra enso ye dosage onoma instant e wose be ma ni mani muso ukoto nsuo ene ne capsules no na ofre ne ye kire de be Omanhene ada no wan hwe a se bi oba na wadu sika dia ada no ho no be ma ne nsa so ebio uyo oba na se uni atenka tie uyo oba na uni atenka na uni infection ko ade ye ka infection a gonorrhea syphilis club sa yare we se nye transfer cha etimu atenka tiko uni sa how yi bidia koto Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture ne frɛ ne nkyerɛ de obeye sɛ bi nya nnam adwuma nkwa na aduro ye de nipa dodo ni bi nim ne pa ye sisi yare wa wo sisi aya kyes aya wo yesɛden sɛ nya accident nkwa na nka ho spine ne de akoto aduro ni bi
okay
okɔ na akoto aduro na frɛ na ma no afa sciatica oba o menses MAE wa koko hawo ha ma bobɔ so nyina dɔso eti sɛ be ya obehu sɛ de wo se ni nyina nso bia ne dosage eti wo de ne sɛ okoto aduro na raheba shop bia Ghana raheba shop okɔ broma ma ibrekum Dr. Clement ni Gideon Hene do hona do na atu Avicos wonya hona omu nyina betu do oto a frɛ na ma no 0240 61 60 wo de oto aduro na frɛ na ma ya wo se Dr. Agan me de ne for manpower me nom ne sɛn me de ne for waste space me nom ne sɛn ye be ma dosage Kumasi Ghana ma raheba shop bia mu obenya Agan ni bia to ma
thank you very much my bro. Enjoy your day and have a wonderful weekend. One way ana Adea nsɛm na mo ka kyerɛ dɔm a because a year aba sɛ obia be pɛ oba be hwɛ ne ɛkɔ deɛ na wo ka kyerɛ mmeranteɛ ne mabaawa a wɔn ba hɔ no
ɛyɛ adesrɛ deɛ ɛnam de bɛto wɔn anim sɛ mesrɛ wɔn me pɔ wɔn kyɛw ɛya wɔn nya akomatɔyɛ mu wɔn nya abotrɛ paa meɛnkura ma adu akyi kura sumdwem me pɔ wɔn kyɛw yɛni police ni bia ni asɛm yɛni police ni bia ni asɛm police fo asɛm ibae police fo ni yajeje mu omudi yachi saa abepeme ne dua ya me ne wo kasai ti police fo de yi wo mu free ma enye ti misradofo ene ajamfo omunya abotre eye police ni ene ye enye police fo ene ye eye police ni ba akopɛ ene ye saa de no misra wo mu police ni nye ye kanfo police fo ma na ebo ye ho ban
because ne ya tetia ne sɛ abrosifo no abom kokose se mrantie no ebeye niamo ho sam bi ni ensemhunu bi wo ho a wanhwe ekura na Omo mama kokra ma adwo achi na yie no kra nso omo de so ato so. Ya tete bibi sa na mo so mate.
Me pa cho sa pepepe.
Ese ndie masema mo kasa mo sre no. Ehun hia.
Yes, red adofo ne ajamfo mrante ne mabawa. Adofo mo ba bejam me nkotodweku fom ensa dansa yem. Yes, ra wo mo. Yes, ra wo mo ma de omunim so ompe ne ho asem. Eyo do e na omo de do no. Yes, ra wo mo ye po mo chopa. Omunya abotre ma yen. Omunya abotre ma police fo. Omunya abotre ma police fo. Yeni police ni bia ni asem.
Na se mo de mu gidie se atentrene ebeba e wo asem na ewie ye mo ho.
Sa asem si ya wada kwasi ada. Ana police fo ye ya dom po aye. E ma ye nya abrantie no. Enti police fo de ye yi o majeje mu enye ye kra police fo de ye no mo ana ye ni yi o mu si nchen enye ye.
Did say ye ne ntoto ye nyina so de dana kwam.
Me pa cho pepepe.
Okay.
Pepepe.
E china ye nyina ba be jam mo why?
Me pa cho mate.
Nyamen kam ho. Nyamen kam ho. Nyamen kam ho. Sani abrante bo police ni tuo owie osako spray no be miensa gu so December bebre aba say timrante no na wo mu nim de ba driver no otwi car no police ni no ade o ma hunu say omo nam no na moto be miensa treli wo mo ana acha so mo timi akofa sika. Now, matimi abo police need to a kuno. Ayara husamo. The Bibu says anti police in now only bulletproof. Only bulletproof gear is Sanwana. Na police for police in so only side pistol. Our person will be and son where you two abono. Because the police is trained in issues like this. And you no na police no. You no. Wow, if you want to watch it, join us live on Facebook, Sompa 93.1. Let's show an issue there. CCTV camera no na capture omo. Send your musifa home. Na police ni be ya no opie ya po. Ye obi this year. Na ye hwehwe mu kra de akoba ne say, wo mu ko Adea we na mu kotena Bullion van ni mu a ya ma mu sika kese ya yese 100 Ghana eno kra na say bank ni tiri more na say bank no ATS kama police.
Yes, so mutuya for the service into who police officer na wo ba ho no for week no a wo ba be yes adwuma no na bi o ma pay 100 bi ama na kese
for the whole week.
For the whole week, yes.
Na vest no bulletproof vest no yaw no shebi
Debi say bulletproof vest in the IGP ne betima ba be chirim yentia.
But why should a police officer this thing should tell everybody say yenya cases of such.
Yes.
And you know the police officer the echo guard the banker. What's the man bulletproof?
But akonta IGP should go back to ne niema bia oyeye previously mrasa incident we be see obekaya Jamestown.
Yes.
Boy bia omoko boni tuo woni tirim peche ne tantantan police ni bi no IGP tuku efa bi se ebeya your friend say police for no omu jai escort ne ye.
Yeah.
Na so omu be sa escort na Bank of Ghana insist say banks no be sa de we no.
Is you have bulletproof
vans. So hu and no honum na obeka ya banks ni bia start ya omo engage military so hwa banks ni bi say so omo escort omo sika na
soja for
na nkete banks nkete na still ano omo go by this
na ka we there we
pick up we yes we
pick up
we
na bi timi say ana no ya hunu ba ku bia na say
mo pick up we yes we o eno no bi ba mono na branch ya wabedi police mo kuna to atwene kwa because of sikase na neda na no ba ku bia na twamia mse masa bubekum na kai 10 million pen dem muto mbaba be pe sa akota eti IGP enko back no san ko sia Bank of Ghana for no any banks ne say ayeko ayeno ayesa me men no hu na omu say police ni wa ma metena ka we man ko bia nku.
What was the driver doing? No more first car you are now.
So here, a savings and loans was a bank bi.
So they were coming to pick.
Na omo ba. Etutum say, omo di chia che. Omo monitor boys na monitor omo che. How say bia? Omo ko first car wa ha. First car wa ha. So hu.
If you no born, no, the guy would never survive.
Kunta.
O kuniyemo.
Say omo hu say at this moment police officer na also
be fair to you
no. And the other one,
yes, no kuta side gano.
Debi akuta eke.
Debi che. Would take us back?
Okay.
The okofa no, it was a side gun. It was a pistol.
Debi akuta se side arm and kebebo police ni ha. Debi akobesane belt.
Yeah, shade. Let's guy ni see here no.
At the blind side of the police officer. So
where the bonity only way you.
So
motorway no.
So
o see here now obana o ma warning shot.
Into when be finish when na ba be fatu no. Akoya
obe hit fire no.
Akoya obe na ba
be hit fire no. Enye AK47. Yeah. Aya pistol.
A pistol.
Yeah, it was a pistol.
No pistol de dawa kunta. Oba no kuta the pistol.
When do they no kuta pistol?
Where on say eson de ko. Okuta AK.
E no they saying the ko no.
Yes, no they are saying the ko. To no ba no kuta ne pistol de da.
Ele ti ono so mu here because omu nya no easy sa. To omu de be kwa akro no bo.
Omu de kwa operation. So hu.
Ye rade.
So hu.
Na driver no si fa he.
Nti say akuta ba say ya eye say car driver ne tell her not take care ni mu no a enka menye sure say nkombo kunipa.
Debi. They have to first disarm the officer.
Or say a disarm police officer no. Ye police officer na mo makere nyina say bi mo ye mo.
Money 90 obi mpoi.
No say police officer and a betu to a boys we say bi anka police ni gina ba bi no no mo engage a boys ni to police ni na ya said that training no as obi a onim to.
We ye Abza Shaman there no.
We are hona.
A police officer, he look at such a handsome guy.
Young man, say Lance Corporal who said yes. Bako Lance Corporal. Kunu ya. Jimini akuta make IGP say onko back in Kosia banks no. Onko back no Kosia Bank of Ghana for country omo say masa someone to bullion vans na bulletproof no a. Me ma officers dey escort say
they just sprayed, almost sprayed no.
We mu na be mu utie nkomo na we say amu de egu ni mfim wo so say bi ni yam moja free heba moja free nti ha say nyina no na police officer na pre ase o
no nyangui
nti ha say nyina no kwa na boys ne time no to omo nsa omo edi omo de ne kokwan ho akopa bi card na tum akoni by hospital no.
What I'm saying here. Look at a police officer going on duty without bulletproof vest. How? He's dressed like a normal police officer.
Yes.
You can't do this.
David.
When you know the bullion van no, it's a target.
Na Onuakra no is at risk.
Yes. What Adea Akye Abia, you're a very decent officer. What dress it is our office?
Come on.
This is our office. Radi obi ba. Obi kunu. Obi dofo obi this year.
Do
you know how much money is spent to train a police officer?
Yes. But baby omute bia no ombechi omo.
Ghana police. Agrofo na crowd no am. Me say by the close of day or two, ombechi omo be dey dwane. Na Ghana police so ombechi wa.
Omo close in on them.
Ombechi. Na he ba ku ya obo police ni bi to okaso a. Go say Eastern region to come baby. Na omo ni pa kura oku madwe.
We come fa so omo che no.
Me o ha no ma send mom se tie so wa dwira ye track no. No omo go che na fijasi zongo to krum ho baby.
My girlfriend be them no mo ko fa.
She. Messages the police is one chiwo. I don't know BBC na Ghana for bebre kasa say we know what the police can do. So ekoba say so omo ntimi and yeah, na kofa nsem bebre aba because it's sad. Mamene Wilkinson twetwe nkomo. Gan West. DC. Oi, Wilkinson.
Yes.
Yay, Kafra.
Asama for Wilkinson.
Asama ba Wilkinson asye. Oh. Honorable now what to say? Me wo ya dodo na so eh.
Nyamya dom nyamya me say wo dey next week dey member or the member studio.
Ya be sure nim. Oh, now ra wo sem we dey. Wo peso aso. O peso aso anyama bi say dey bi kransi hoda na dey.
Hello.
What can say me say? Na Gawas the ananka shooting be say no ne ade bi intense wo. Na we dey free.
Me ni ade omo say hono nye Gawas, me ni omo share boundary.
Okay.
When you go central, but Sompa the mafia me ntimi nkasa ho nya me di anje me nkasa. So what must say?
To ase do dominia.
Yeah, juma no. Ye fe be municipal with that boundaries. Baby obedu a bibi koso no otimi ka ho asema ma amanfo nso ti ase.
Okay.
So what you ase nko ade a na so we hu se ne ekoso no nko ade a. Enura no so lucky no should I say unfortunate for us no. Me ko Accra na me san be sia ko office. Nti me du hor na enipa bebe jina ho. Nti asoma me kan ya ne say se ka abo bi wo ha o. Na me ko menim kaka na me jina ya na mbisa no mo so nya ka na abo bi na shootings bi na akoso. Iti ye kokko find out na Bullion ban vi omunim ade poten a o ba be ye o so o ba be diska o so o ba be ye den o but o party ye no a because no say anka card ye anka party a e wo de enti a anka wo party but o party ye no ono a wo mbem pomp no ono nso a o ko de nim no ba na chi o na mo say omo hu say moto bi party na chi.
That's right.
Iti moto no baka na chi no mo hu de enti a driver no o ko de nim a o san ba na chi back. Iti ono driver ne de o party ya na obi don. Satam no ne shoot police no ntitama wodi etuo no wura police ni site no na driver ni ko be ye se ye twemo ba bia ye koyi 2000 ne de atofo we ne de egu ye kem ne akan iska amobi. Iti at the moment ye sa no ma no ye na de fefa confirm no because sanka ye the card and the tofu we and ye credit card and ye debit card and ye the tofu we and ye the dijan ye the sa no ma no. Those big stations need the so many machines are ye okita card ye obetimi that tofu and the mobile phone ye the card ye mani ye and if ye ntwemo baby a de bia if you aka kokoma se ekotamale ni asise skegu kem na any party car no na car no kwa na konya accident wo nzuom na ska na ko gu nzuom na nkofa asisa. Ghana is beyond that. Eti de si wo ho de ni tietia no police ni no meku no nkofo no se no metwane but senior police for ka no senior tebia o meche o because na cameras ni edwuma enti wuti hu o mokura obi ni mo no a obi ni mo a on be hu o mo enti de si no minia
ara ho sem dodo na me fi say denti su na mesre mo na mo ye music ne dissect Dentina, officer of this nature, all call operations, we say now bulletproof vest, on shebi.
On say Ghana, you won't say you want to mind, and a safe country, and you know, your Fabia so easy. Eh, one say, Obi out a car front. O protect this Kadinipa because o protect this Kadinipa.
Correct.
Bank for now, Omoje. Sikano omo staff waka no driver ni waka no wo ankasa na oye police ni nso wo waka no sikano nso waka no na wo se bibia betima protect you obi tutu at once because wo hwa ba bia tuo no kan ye no anka wo se eyi a anka ntimi nkotu na obi nkasa obi na more information at the end is like calculated arrangement because omo vre mo ka no vre mo na moto no so eba be remu moto no so remu no so no omo call police ni so direct na moto ba kon so park wo be won say police ni ba kon so fi akronfo no ba ko fi ono ni moto bike so
be fat you no be fat you no
police ni tu no
hey asemo ya rehosemo
eti ne wo pa enti sompa me dia enu na meka no edu ba bi a say sika ye yi ni bebrebe ni sa buru van ye omuni na mukromu ya omo so omo sise sika ube kombe na sika no kura na
sika no kura na kitwa bi o
ebia 800,000 Ghana cedis ebia 800,000 Ghana cedis
Honorable Wilkins medal asia no pay fa me fa si ha yaw
agonta
asemo ya rehu
tinira ho say ubukum na nyesika mu bia ku bi ba sa no
the driver no obi akwa ne bi edo no ohun se ohun ti o no si dwane ya na because o si ya no o dwane yo he saw them coming ana
a questions a nyina yebuse but
so I don't want to
then nyina who say Adea no so e catch you by surprise so e catch you by surprise
ba me bisa omo ko no omo ehunu say moto yi omo treli omo ana because o kutaka ya o free baby na eba police officer moto bi adi wachia saade we Ghana na me anim ni ye na so e ka ho unim say security consciousness yenye hwe broni to car after 50 meters no who say car bi di na chi after 100 meters if the same car that stood in the chair and I saw obe frɛ say car bi di na chi but e dey between na call a journey
bekwa ko refia
ako refia maka na be bolu tuaku no because omura mu na moto no susu ra mu no baby a o gina yi because yawo hwade o baby a kan ni gina yi no say no mo be fesika kra they could have gotten closer to the service and loans na wo no
baby a kan ni gina yi mama kuku a video bi oye ho adwuma so de ba ubohu adekora na wo baby a kan ne to no wonti o mu gina yi
kan ne to no
yes ne to ho no mo no Adea na wo ho nti o mu gina yi ubohu
na service and loans bi ho
as a bank bi bibisa as a bank ketuwa bisa
ti no mo be fasika
ti da se no
it was the to buy
mo
se na be o be yi ase
na se bi o mo so mo be yi sika egu ho there are two things involved either so mo gina ho no ama sa bank ketuwa na wo ho no no o mo abeji sika
kwa could it also be a tip off
well e betimi abasa se se de untimi downplay bibia
it could also mean say o mo so monitor car we ya hu say that's your fesika yawe be amasem ni o when the motor was coming closer they could have moved
akota ye so yintum say a filling station to be atimi ba ho
and America say when they saw the motor and everything I don't know man nyane one move car
motor ba say motor no so obey there
and this one also come e cordon
we time no we no abey operation we na motor we buy so say ba ko bi susisi no wa
and there's another motor is you
yes our dan ani awoko yes ejini nyina ye catch you by surprise ni nyina catch you by
na filling station ono no obi anyone
obi o ba say ba omo tutu pepa sa no obi a bedwane ape ba bi afa obi a bedwane ape ba bi afa obi a bedwane
omo fa sika
ape ba bi afa akoto omo fa sika on say pick up no a double cabin enti ekire ho the other door no say bie say okoback me hwe obo say oba bi e say wega wasi afiri ekire ho nom
start go take us back
ekire ho nom nti ubo hu say na obi
take us back no be play the tape again
no be so eti ekire nti o dey ebe o dey hwa sha obeba na chi that time na first motor na eba no so first motor
let's see the other angle of video now kuku aye ho adwuma no
enti so enti boy we nu ewura ho no pepa on say na lady na bie ekyiri door no so and a boy back na kɔ hɔnom so
de ha no mo jiska no lady ni to scalo to ho
so hu
osuro
eti saa video na kuku ɛyɛ ho adwuma yi sɛ ba wo hu ade kora ɛwɔ akyiri hɔnom a hanti we wo mu sɛ bɛkɔ akyiri hɔ ha na emra wo maku police ni no akra still no nwi na sɛ asɛ
o gasp for breath
saa ɛbɛkɔ akyiri hɔ ɛba wo hu ade kora ɛwɔ akyiri hɔnom so
akyiri hɔnom
yes akyiri ha ɔbɛsa de aba camera na bɛsa aba hɔnom wo hu ade kora ɛwɔ akyiri hɔnom
na just a bank bi wɔ hɔ
ɛyɛ banga na sɛ yɛ die yo sɛ yɛ die ne wɔ hɔ no mu a na so
pause Sarkodie back
no hɔ no no
Sarkodie back
a private security bi kura gyina hɔ
go back small Sompa FM
to yɛ mro
the way the all mad na sia wi
omayi na to
ko wachi a Sarkodie
na Ghana must go in so na
ɛno yɛ ne na ekuta boys na nkɔmɔ de ba bɛ sesɛ sika no nto ɔmo hu sɛ ɔmo hihia ɔmo de ne bio no ɛna pa ɔmo kɔ ɔho ɔde ɔmra na ti bio kakra bi ɔmra na nim kakra bi bio ɔma no we savings and loans so say bibi
it could be a financial institution
mo inti honom na omo ba
he said that say omo company
mo
easy way kwachi on easy way
so na just car na ba
say
mo I think that say omo be first car wa ha ana wa be do obeyiska so what it means is that omo monitor omo check
mo
enye ne
mo ije bi ebeye weeks months years no mo dey monitor omo a ene bi omo say di omo chi so ehun say omo ko fasika wa ha abe fasika at the bad this point inti ha de omo ba no mo ne mo ba be wie mungamu ena omo ede ba ha sei no nti Adea Adea wo anticipate a udim how I be prepared this year.
Yeah, because easy way BB financial service. No matter welcome kakraka boho.
Nti hona no mo ba ena.
Hey.
Ebeje gon. Nti ha dwen.
But me say why was he not on bulletproof vest? Why? Yaw. I don't think a side guns no. Police for no young man who use side guns. Because say Abia or side gun can be on the subet to my two.
But what be so or side gun a side arm no Abia elodu be 6 elodi na ni abro so ani kuta.
Yeah, what I mean is on say before you pull an AK-47
yes,
and before you pull side gun, the side gun is faster.
No correct.
Tiabi anko ball no ikra anko so betima shoot. Ba AK-47 afi na obe twa clock no.
Oh, na wo ka sem bi say police ni a wo sisika ho. Na wo hu say moto bi de echenti wa hu.
Eno ni asem na make say.
Kra wo me ane phone so abrantie.
But akota baby
police no so so no. Ya phone so ani.
Police for no.
Na say about phone in my way. Udu barrier bi atachiman. Kumasi road na make kan wasem. Ye hwe ya phone so say ya. Na kai na mu say troka. Ti anu so mo hwe. O mo hwe.
Omo power barrier ho na phones.
O ti dua na say. Na ne phone kura no. No hwe so say ya.
Ti cars betima.
Oh, ti we no. As a police officer, I would sika ho de. Ti moto di wachi. Moto mienu osem miensa. Ti wa hu hwe. Want to me ama wadwe bi ankleke. Oh.
Mama me police ni na etwi car no.
So at the front.
And normally so at the front to the passenger side driving mirror no hu.
Ya over side mirror.
Akuta hu.
Ya. Akuta say.
Driving mirror na wo
passenger.
What passenger?
Side mirror hu.
Driver na here to suit or no nya wo passenger. Say be obehwe ne side and side.
But which is also wrong because you the police officer. Will guard it. Oh no. Oh, intelligent driver.
Akuta yes, but driver no so na de konya accident no kokun me
there are three car. Yeah, 3 mirrors. The old one will boss. The waha. Anyhow.
The waha say any bomb me hu car free me side say ba.
And we ba hu car.
So bomb me free say ba.
Okay.
It is me the man who passenger now at the front.
Not so we are man.
Yes, driver.
But can it happen say car na ekono police ni no. So say or so ya late.
Thing na ye ka say, ningi na caught them by surprise. it caught them by surprise. Said driver, with the car.
But should you be caught by surprise, a police officer?
Yes, Akuta. Send any car robbery in you.
You understand, but also the alertedness of police no need man so and also that say
yes.
Oh, now you're officer in uniform.
Akuta say bia na make say police in take mu and e bia nkote e bia bang na no and no hu say boys na e ba sa enka you bon say boys ma me but we no e kwan bi so ye handicap
car no kra be sinti wa gine be you say ya bedu
and a filling station a motor betima ba ho beto petrol
obi a betima
ba ho enya restricted environment so hu enti police officer and you blame me bebre ba enye na ma me media me direct media no to IGP say mra ye bo police ni bi to woni tirim to
e be de wo Ghana no
de na on Bank of Ghana for kotena say e mo a deadline says a bank na on top Bullion vans aye bulletproof a omo escort omo biom no what happened that was also the police for akotena pick up we mu a yakokuku obi basa no banks ni bia start e use soldier for e dia de na si other banks no so so kwan say omo engage military men so here o say military men ko omo ntena bank for ne kan nim
David
omo nim say car na fit for purpose
yeah
eti omo no e use omo akaso omo pick up
no
with at least omo ni officers ko be 4-5 no omo di akire eti IGP e dia de na si ye e ko be na ne Bank of Ghana any banks ni di ya omo agrima wa wakoku obi basa no because who na osuma no IGP na osuma boy ni so nko ese adwuma wi wakoku
na on say bulletproof that's already on nam he was disarmed he was disarmed
ni konkuta tu okra na nkeye because police ni any security obi number bi abede no hu say we o ni pabole ni ana so ni actions and inactions
and remember go betima aya hu no
yes it ni action betima catch you by surprise it wono no to first it wono so police ni say bulletproof vest
and koji
at least kebeje am
keba no so to reply
I finish one more
police are such a nice guy young police officer
Lance Corporal kunukwa
utum so we be 2020 yaw
Lance Corporal the utum say fresh
at
least why be a 2-3 years be and
look at such a nice guy
you or adwumanim and why ye
we na madam for police in send the man me na me hu ni pakro ti bi say who is this brate nyame kum ni pa ya okay ye bedin komo kakra ye ne Dr. Amuzu na ye wi a oyin ne na yasem ne etiawa should some secrets stay with you for life or some secrets okay e ma ho to secret bi o ha was set na ho ana de ko wom ana say ya hello ana say ebi o hono ma wan kaso a o ho nto we nyina ba because one actress in the person of Yvonne Nelson Anna, watch your book. I am not Yvonne Nelson. No, the book he have a trouble thing. The moon sem. You hungry.
See, Mamma, some do a job.
They say, I didn't know what that jumper, yes, Sarkodie.
There's a patapan in our home.
But you need questions, baby, but I'm not paying. Come on, ye dear no. And yes, Yvonne Nelson book night to buy say. Should some secrets go to the grave with you? And I say, asem no kukuomu asemba ebiana kum. So one can no akra to me ku kransa no akọ uwom. Jene ho ye be debate ni sese a Dr. Amuzu, the herbal gynecologist. Ye ni nkomo. Ewie ya na me ne me abedwafo nso so de chinem. Na ye di san nkomo no. Na what to say doc?
Na me na dom ahoden wo.
Bibi aboko. Arope ho efe. Kaftan ne ball pa.
Memma Ghana fo achen bio.
Ye je so.
Na ma Ghana fo acha se ni pa die e be yare. Yare nso a na se biate ase e ya pe se yare pa akiri kwan.
Right.
Ye fe ade bi kuoko.
Koko.
Na kwa faso ni bofo di hemro na say pass. Kwa faso ase bi eye no enya abo bi ne go kan ne dia ba. Because a non pathogenic disease. Enya say enya virus, enya antibacterial ne de ba, ana say enya antifungal bi. Na yan kasa so ya bra abo, e didi ne ko fa sa de no ebre yen. Na koko eguma hodo mienu se bi. E wo de we efunumu ana say internal pass. Na de ba se hunamu ani.
Epia bonten. That's right.
Koko wo hunamu no, e na say na tie. Dodo na mko jana mta ho se mo ja bebere ben ewu. Aha. Na koko de se enkum nipa se obi ewesi koko na eku no ban yisan so mu no e mani pewu ba hwa brante bi ase ne moja so atie fi be 17 gram per day sim na ba just 4
moja etu no ntra
wa ko moja sa moja san ko nya be 17 no e so atie ba 4
moja so de bi ni hu a obewu be ya ne make correct
inje be ka sa bi wewu moja oni moja no wewu bade na kofa moja na de ben
e ma ni oni no moja wie no free hen
ije go auto se be ka so woni moja na wewu be ba ni sen
e na oni
moja na kofa sa oni bae ye koko na we no apapa ya se bi wako moja na kofa sa no e dia ba enti misraw se wo hu se wo ye mu 13 bibria memwe na nye ana se wo obi ase bi wo che e wo ja na so anasa se uja na wi ase bi eke kakra wani ase adi hu no e ya to sini kakra e ya se wasum e ya hene kakra anasa se otai kom kakra anasa obi ase bi de bi ase hu hene kakra e ye some of the symptoms of the past enya ya de a utwini pamboja a uhu se wonimu inti the physical symptoms e ni pa no e di bi se bisa ne afa so e di amanesu external past kwa ne ye nya dine na external one no ebu ati fini pan ne to kwana no anase ne tu ni nyina bebre ma obu onso ase ebo se prekese ebitimi pai ne no de moja ba ebu onso ase empan so ebo ho enti ebo ho sa na se manipa no transia they don't feel comfortable as a nambi e bata se be ne to ho enti ona na o trena wa chia ne to sei ahu the more as a what transia ase unye comfortable na usisi ye o ya na di how de ben e ba omu obi enya koko mwenya sisi yade ma ya wa ni ya sa me ne wachia ene wa sugar
yo transia
ebe ne ya obi sisi yade na ye na makasi ni pass the moment you are in pain na wa kuma no se bi na ni da breast sa sisi ye o ye na ye o ya na mo pressure akosoro na mo pressure akosoro wo bi jambo jabo so obi di shirt mi wu emu ya unti na hye no enya pressure obi so timi kwa hunam akwa ya obi mu physical pains mo na so be pressure ejobo se ya na koko dia fasi ya so le bre no sabiu woti hua na ase ama ni mo ama nya mo jabro so na obi ya pressure ni fie na obenya bie na gugu no menfa koko a ewo ho aduru emfa transe enche bibiri na nko haw na koko wo haw mienu e obema so beba penimu akoko hano no emanate nkan yira such old men can live for years without having any libido for sex koko so ha emanate so a emomate nkan ko anim too much so ya branch gwan so ba friend na say brawo fie mi bo so no abojak obegina so saa kakra na ne ho asore kakra ne ho asore but edru agro so a ontimi nye
but ya to say
na koko wa ife se bi ewo oba ejampanifo ene se mema ho oba so akoko ha ne bebre no such women to have no libido for sex. They can live for days, for weeks, for months. Ebra man adwen kura se bi oni ni kunu enhia se koko how e wo yamu a ye wo se de no efi oton so a e wo se de no de e wo ni yam twa se onnom ne nko paapa ne kama obu on so be fifini ba bia ye wo de sasa so mani tutu firi honom obu on so akoko no etua ne tu bebre eno je se ye share druma no ne ama na atra so na edo ni heat no se bi aboa fa ne to honmu ana atiti koko nyere ben efiri ho se koko how this she bia no pay no kumasi ha manefo ni cha tafun hia so
no
Abuzu junction near Muru market odru ho na se oyira manefra mi na ma eye 0247
77 67
43 0247
77
67 43
43.
Na woyɛ obi a wohwɛ me sɛ bi na ntuntun bi adwo moanya malaria no akɔ herbal shop no aka so pa muzu herbal mission na wanom onom a eyi ntuntum no trace firi mogya mu nyinaa deɛ typhoid ha ne de biara sɛ bi no ne ya nso nya muzu herbal no mu a ɛbɛkɔ obi sɛ doc me kɔ no aduane koraa o I have no appetite for food onya muzu herbal no mu a ɛbɔ no bɛtɔ so kama no de yie pa na sɛ ba sɛ wadwuma no ɛyɛ wala sɛ adwuma ukodi pɛ wi na to no hunam yawa na akɔpa muzu pi na wanom wonfie kɔ anim kakra enyini nie sasabro nie enyini nie ahotutuo nie akɔfa saa ha na brewa amuzu pi heba me hye sɛ adwuma na de na adwuma no sɛ bio ayɛ no sɛ yaw kakra wɔ mu no okodi pɛ ne wie na sɛ yaw no ba onya amuzu pi no mu a yaw no nyinaa bɛkɔ wei ɛyɛ painkiller heba we ye painkiller air natural we ye painkiller any side effect biara any bidro na aye any side effect biara wo na mo ya biara eba kwana kopa amuzu pi nenum na se ye funu aye bre ekura bam mamu wo emututu emukekawa amuzu k e na obehia wa ya se ya oya obra ba na enye yi a amuzu k e na obehia wa ko lab yesi OH parori anaso stomach ulcer so a amuzu ke ya na obenum na wo herbal shop biara ya pa no nso a omutiri mu asisi na se taachi omo no omkope amuzu garlic bitters no nom ina ho ede mo kakra na stroke ebon kaye enya umpo na epiepia wo amuzu garlic ese adwuma ne pa obi se doctor me call lab biara se me sugar level wosoro yesi pressure wosoro onya amuzu garlic no mu a sa how na ebe free ho Samin Roma Komako 9 the herbal shop biara mu kuma ukodani herbal misty herbal
Colina Capidan Mromo no
munyina mutubi esentombi akra ko kanshi draglin na Boakye ho Kens walk tina tetri pass na halus wo munyina no wo mutubi esentombi wo pa amuzu p amuzu k amuzu herbal amuzu garlic kun se mise bia na ma ofre no dia gin chirechire mu no eye 0247
67
ifra me kwotena ase do bi ase bi ni bema no ato fom kura ma ne mra de siare ekuno omra pass na hawa na ukunu ni husuo na ho ode ne wo fom de kan low sperm count no oba ebeboa ne pa wakoto gata bi mu ma de in samba se bi ase bi empe bi abegu bema no so ana se sebi yare fe no stroke aka audition wutimi nante sa how ni nyina muzu herbal clinic ye insi otuto ama typhoid achew ama oda esum kura anye Dr. Amuzu mo sa how ni nyina ho aduru e no de hye bi nso arthritis ku no efinitri so ebesi nasi nyina sebi oti yawo ono cha kugudro ba Amuzu herbal clinic beboa no ye waso organa ha nyinara kumase ha ye wotafon hia so Amuzu junction near Muru market mo amhwe Sompa ti musu nyam ko sunwa na ewia 3 imo do tu na bro nsan no mu e na tachi mazungu house le hono mu a mo nso amo akra ya wachi mota Christian village e na ashama Lebanon
Puma filling station di hwe no mu no antiawa
yes so wa ashama Lebanon second so the final man no frɛ for further and better direction.
That's right.
Amuzu herbal clinic
Mauchi Hill Chalo. All right, enjoy your day. Have a wonderful weekend.
Nothing. One canning in a akuta secret the okipi day.
Now because it's called secret.
It is not secret. Can't san wo.
Yeah. Why do we call it secret? What's the definition for secret?
Yes. We are National Security Minister. We mean your police commander. Your to say Asante Regional Police Commander. You are saying one more. Or the bewu want to be mosun trobia.
And no, I swear oath of secrecy and oath of allegiance.
I swear, Imperator me kwachi me koswe oath of secrecy we he. Just me di hun komo. Oh ne okay, Yvonne. Ka di hun komo. Ka. This
to part 2.
Akuta me train part 2. I am there. I am not Yvonne Nelson. Me train part 2 of the book no. Obi na send me bi kra on my phone so yesterday soft copy na making kan kakra. Making can Yvonne, why are there? What's here the munyam? But I couldn't
secret. Something that is kept or meant to be kept unknown or unseen by others.
By others, say me bewu.
It
was me DJ Njirima. I am not Yvonne Nelson. Yvonne, me try part 2. Mo do 2. Why are there? Kanina, there won't be a brugum ne kama man science.
What does it make Sarkodie?
Sarkodie anybody away they say. Me akota hwe me ti we ho se yakopon ye madoma mbe ye president a be ma bia obefa ne yirechi bia metua ne kaboso me yakopon ye madoma mbe ye president of Ghana be ma bia obenya kukudro afa ne yirechi obefa girlfriend obenya side chick wo ne yirechi no me metua ne kaboso me bia wabra wonya dwuma bia mo me reason ni say akonta senye sa mema no a omitimi nya kukudro efa wo mo yire no mo chi a enka nkoda bi wo ho no manke ya nwom. Your big men be with society more. Woman mamenom woman because papa be fan yirechi and your mama menum be chimpna and then no mababes are big men now society celebrate you omo. Your maybe also so akonta says some men man nyaku kudro and for me no motia nka bema kran koma nhie bi da. Iti bema utumi nyaku kudro efa o yirechi a.
Say bema be find the two wa kudro.
O kudro why there? What's a man monyam?
Yaw.
No, Bonnie a day. Bonnie a woman, they say Yvonne Nelson say, Aina, Sarkodie.
That's at that time, because Sarkodie no married.
Moses is a man for Casa and a year, and at the end,
that time no married.
No worry, yes.
But it's that time no, they tea. The
year friend say.
Tracy.
Now
they teach Tracy Cranoa. If I say be a mummy, you know, of head or be worried. It turned you no married. It didn't make it. You can't fault. Sarkodie. But people feel say Sarkodie by that time no. Na say oni obi anyi say na say unya ready man ko yiguye. Adea na Yvonne Nelson no so Sarkodie so unya ready. Ono so no ready.
Akota na Sarkodie ka so unya ready no. Oka chen so ongonyi mu. Omaniska so ongonyi mu. Debi. Na okoye wa de.
So if he said he was not ready, what decision? It's when you're ready to Miko Yegu. It's a Colano wound and can they Sarkodie bet magazine ba.
Akutanti so or Wakadano a time as Sarkodie be ready no about Geneva. Yes, sir. Who now also me say or in it so or Niminum. Nanyama and you may say ready.
Say be at that time also no need the well without bet my career color. They be no niska.
Satan Yvonne Nelson no a star.
No a superstar.
I do no need well with that say. Satan no boy way, no fena no about Tema. Fena no about Baba. Now Yvonne Nelson, now you Yvonne Nelson.
No one in the chairs Sarkodie.
Yes. It is all no so near ready.
Only delay your interview be. Also pity any even celebrities are mudeti musician. That time so now I'm calculate here no the Sarkodie.
Say be as that time no so could date na who say munye de. Into a catch them some
opiti or to mama. Now one the reason why in tell cast and none of the reason but to be so a right so can.
Wakota me Yvonne Nelson some no can say a man for say new kwan say okay kebinia there also die with certain secrets no. Me no mo nya adwene. Kokan ayi Obama wife Michelle Obama ni book bi no kire kokan sem a na wum. Akota ye mabra bomu nsam me ya bo ama metie say me ya wo me tu wiase a me betena wiase te ebia madi ebia this particular MP mabra bomu nsam ne me fa mu enema me huni ne de ne enye de e de mababedo na madru ba bia ya na boys ni bi fi say yɛn papa no mu bi ne maame no bi anyame ɛsrɛsrɛ ɔmo no wɔn nka no kura bi nkyerɛ wɔn abrabɔ as role model
ana mesha
brabo ase na me kuta 2 CDs ɛna deɛ ɛso no ɔboa unse ama Ghana for
boys ni bebre
Yvonne Nelson eye faithful to Ghanaians wono na brabo no wanyi bi mfrim ena onfa bi meka ho ena o se o ka no kretro do e de akere mo wo ka wi amosi too much information ne dey se broni na ye de a ke hu no se ye normal ade na bi before ye pene ma ye tade hyehyɛ suma sesa this thing o se encourage ye nuaba no na amanfo sua sa de we ya Yvonne Nelson na ye
say was show boldness.
Yes, she's bold. Na brabo de ye book na konta adenti na book no papa wo na brabo mo kan de ye nka wansem abonten na bone a anko ya ma no na brabo ma wo kan ye a ode ye futu ama young girls a eba hey Ghana for say ye nti bi da den wa kwakoka if on us bone o ye dey ade na before ye pen tro twasa ade na before ye pen sem a we de ye nka we de fatu wo no mo
garnishing kataso.
No. Yes, at the point in time.
At that point, at this crucial moment, Sarkodie don't yes, I don't worry now. Sarkodie is married. Also consider Sarkodie's family.
I could tell you that make us a me president here. Bema before you reach me tuaka. But Sarkodie onye bonibia. Into your interest in there. 1 penny by bintra. Ne him. Hey,
why any?
What's it? I know. Sorry.
Why you married you?
Body ben my.
Me brate.
Me dagati. Me brate.
Married you.
Bra. Bible say eniyema o ye pese ye sese ye hu no. Ena ye de apia bonten. Enti de nyame pese ye ye hu. Eno na ma o ma ye hu. Na said de na o ka na de enti ne ye fra asam no say a secret. Nature say, me wu a madam adaka mnemu say no. Sem no bi hye me tim say ya ma hye matade. Na ba se the photo ho woni man friend na me ya. Na ta se ne ha ba bia. Me den sem no gum.
Na le
ko. Sansa sem no bu ho a epia bra etiti abusua. E bom man. E bokuro. E di manka e di ne besi. Enkume bibia nyame. Bra yen hwe ma ba we ya bay for instance wo mu suban ene wo mu character de call into marriages na bema enfom so obia ho wantimi ahye wo so wakwa ye bibi baako na ba ya na do ba na veterase mam say wa asema me kai no na me ma hye me na no me tu kwa ya me kwa ha gebi na me nko dai osuyo mate e wa pɛ no akɔpɛmpɛntoa no wasi no was started to go nkwan no mam because said ya wo de bobɔ ba no de a wo kuwa
ma me nkyene
dada nkyene ne de gu mu mam enti ade akɔyɛ ye no sɛ ka wo ka ne kyerɛ sɛ manu me ho e ha me ti na me ka enti man ka na me gya sɛ wo tim baby menka but me anu matumi ho fo
na koya onu nyame ntam
enti majai enu no benya utira didim na wasanya somdwe kro na wo se wo pe no na obi be kwa akoka enso wo nyai emfa so aba mu ene de
that's what account for that so yeah
exactly na say my show bi abawe bi a new sister kum ene nada
yeah
nyi say abam say waka asem no nyi say na ga yi say wo no obekɔ school nti wo nwo nti ekoyi nyi say na to agu say asem no so a
enti wo yi nyi say na agu no o sister ne kunu no so asisi a no
so awade no so
ehu say owe unua no
onu so awon
incest no kra mrakra timi kra sa ache be ma no kra
onu so won wale say omo maame so ayabrewa maame ne so te asem no kra no ama say baabi a maame ne gira so kra so
ya de no so kra nye
eti asem bi wo abra in as much say yes wo kwan bi wo tre wo nipa ni so but na wie ye nye no fadi fa so tirim wu Yvonne Nelson say enyema ntomagufia wo si a wo de hatabontin e na ye den eti sa akwade enko ana wo celebrate a wo na watwempra wono kwa ni nyanya cheso mo na agidi nti adre na wo mo aka no a mantam wo start wo mo awi mu wo mo nyina wanchoro udi wo mu din ememe bia mfa no ansana sa akwade am na betwempra
ebi mo mention papi kwadwo mu nia
papi kwadwo patapa no nyina di apiepie mu no say ye no kra
Bad encounter, but
obi abonidi wama
no one yefe kai von dey with it.
Eti wan eti say e bi kura sa akode ne yiri nim se
bibi say sika
wo yo ba ebe ha no ebe ne ya atwam de but ebe ne ya eti we no ka mamu a eti kade ne na besi ana ekwan ba akwa ye fa so a ye say ye obi ade ebe fa so
na say with this yaw the commercial side of this the book is 200 Ghana cedis.
Yes. Ah, odi jiri sika.
Na e ba ye no obi e tobi o.
Ghana for obi e
sika.
Kan ya.
Obedwie on. Soft copy now obi download ma wo no. E download ma wa ye tie o.
Oh yes, you obetua.
Because your download the first ne tie no. Wo no so download pe.
Download yes.
Kelly tell the download you and sika no ko Yvonne Nelson ho.
Ane eti no se ebi no na wode aganishi book no se Ghana for ensem bi se eba mu a
obi a be kwa akohwe na se ba yesu grofo
na adwen pa se ne e waye ena odi sua de bia woboa wonu se no na Ghana for pe se book no o kan sem bi wo mu a se ye no kra me se fumi obi ne kan ya o se na ne maame de bia ne maame ka che ne se wo a wo no was a mistake date in a bad time se or kasa no e kire ne ba about
and upon all that no you said your mother was your hero
and so sasem no kra de yenka ena sa akode ye no kodwa mu na sa akode ye no kodwa mu ena sa akode ye no kodwa mu eno na aye cover ena de book no so yaw eti eno na amemu a kedi e be sie
ite e be hye ne monyam se e wosi so no nya ma papa mo we no eye
why kan ye na wo be kan de yak
se no wo kiken
wo so be kan de yak
oba de wosi so na wo twempna pa it must be done well. It is done well no obobodin register no some obobo papi kojo
any pa me no nada inya ni sa akode kwade
inya o se inya o no ni mo nyam ho and obobodin
oba de mo nyam ho de o keep the secret so if you are letting things out let everything out
agota it is coming sentina part 2 beba no na mom oba de usi so na wo twempna pa
adabra
da bia me ka kire kuku ani akoso asomu anom se hwe na man kwankwo twempna fu bia e di problem bebre me twempna pa a me ba na makunko na madenden asamba me ba me be foko makonta se yes akuta uko twempna fro bia be se ya wo na de amunye na ma me kakra na umpra ni ntimi hwe wa na ne eni hwe hin takuta wei ivonase mamanse hu se wo si so a no ye Ivonase no
Sarkodie kra mo jije so kra no
we no lie
me kra me na right no ena ye de yaw
ena akuta wo nkuru papa Ivonase obenya free chineko
because of
me kra me ko hwe no me kra me ko hwe no
yo he ni try
as wo pai me kra me ko hwe na akuta na
yaw
Ivonase na true we na ni abna kokko de ni amako be tongina bo
what is that encyclopedia
abna kokko de si be tongina bo
we jama ye I am not abna kokko de
yeah say book egu akwa mu ebeba agrada anu na ye
my name is Agrada
Ghana for book kwa ye
oh my goodness
ye nyina sa ke betu ya chiro bi mama tell us ye nyina ke betu ya chiro bi
na me mo na chiro I am Texas
I am Texas
ye nyina betu ya chiro bi ba na wo
no track above
me se wo ne man freni na
throw one page
asa se me ha ba bia me se me she bitiri me de ko
so dem say ya di
say you know
akota me de me tiri ni nye hose
tubeka
ana me de asema ba be sem amana be ja me tipaye meka Ivonase ne o ye ne kwa so no ka ne aka kire nya no I am not Ivonase ne part 2 ye twen se o de beba ne asa so akwa koto book na kenkan
mo wa me di drag camera ase we dey no
usi so atwempna pa na wo ka eti maboa baso aboa mo
Sarkodie no ojira se
Sarkodie no nyina yes
na wo yi Sarkodie ase ne tie mu odu kakra and then afilia no nya bad man
ba ya to den won so wo mre ne bomodena say won so obekọ na 10% off the price na ya sama free pillows number no 020 227 1000 020 1000 Royal Foam Ghana Limited and I make come for my Mr. Uko Jaswa Edini Etiawa rest assured Royal Foam wada not just a BBA the other so Royal Foam for your tons of 10% off discounter near amount free pillows Royal Foam Ghana rest assured na BBA the air coso we can dim so umizo any will mix that drink no a man in puffy a man in power yase wedding engagement outdooring a beer no one you so misro unya 5G kamwa ginseng green tea grapefruit guarana and one will beer you so obi be sraw now 7 or miso mixed fruit and answer mixo mango now the cubes come now man a pie be na biscuit be a massa swag na no a year ba 7 na 7 year 0246 270221 0246 270221 now betman ya bin so 21st clinic and how overseas also we have manager Daniel be kind supermarket sister sewa abawa post office anomanye Mama Esther Adomnia Sumye Junction Otra Baptist University PNC Ventures Anomanye Taji Station Yene Charity Hospital Junction di hwanimu Nasachi Enterprise ono so wa binchi ya so nim Nasachi
yes
about tumbi no
yeah
na o se ka o ka chente unua be
ma me ko na me timi e penam se Nasachi o se an obatuntu na me se ye wa advert o Sompa
o se ka chente unua ba ne unua be ma ne me
na ko to ne meja
sa o ka so unua be ma ne me a
ko ma me discount anso me ko ye me hu bi ho
asafo binchi VIP car ho na no Fred 0558 106348 0558 106348 na bibia ekononim otu African Rural Bank ayentia CEO oyenipa say na the graft oya de afshamo tu African page papa abranti o enye ojo obogun a obogun CEO bi na we panim bi pa
ye ni omo ye adwuma kama ye adwuma ho mini somo ye gina
mo gina mo tu African Rural Bank PLC Rural no ba ha no na Rural no na me on permis Ghana
ada obetu son ka ga me na betwiro bia
na ya akwa bi he be ni mo so won su tu susu elam se na o hwe me asusu no mi tu bi enye yo
na wonu de susu na ojeje de military o military academy o
ale
wabana ni wona ni ebo post kurada ho tu ibi tuma wo o pese wo sie sika sha
ba say papa
woni wona o pese da ujuli mebie mu atwiro bi ama akura no
better obeju susu sesia but a good pa otu asika susu no se obo modern kwa ho unya tutusu no a ye kaba home yensa ne de abobosia wo ya aban adwuma ye ni open salary advance salary loan o kwa de mema eyi abefie o ko otu asika mema abosia my group makam ho abom mo person beje bosia collateral bia ni ho guarantor bia ni ho mema money transfer no dofo no Western Union catch on so fanfa ho saka che ne say Ghana pay ye wo de friend no MTN momo ho adwuma iTrans ni nyina da your number no 0504 842957 0504 842957 yeah head office Kofiase yeah wo mampon ejase pebo kroma bofo macro ye ne historic Adventist hospital di hwanimu ukopie won kenken so ho swami market we ye kire ye ho Dr. Mensa so ye ne Lancer chemist 0504 842957 3A Herbal Center bomodia na ji with 3A co capsules ububo bi eno anu no ade a mesi koko ye nipa wo wiase waste space usisi timi chaw dwe ya wo ya oda ho no man na osori ensori koko iseti awoto na yem so asetim na wonya 3A Herbal Center the coco master eyesa ne ma we miensa e ma usisi nya wo ya eno so anka enti no obetimi anom akwa adwuma akoye wadwuma enye koko adura onom ye na ada ho 2 days there be Open the Sompa to 0546 107 107. 0546 107 107. Canada digital satellite. Open TV from 70-inch Kitwa, Copim 65. A smart satellite and a side Kev TV there. Yaunyan Wahoo. Kev TV. Wahini. What if you now hear Kev TV?
I am a year and my GB. I was just one who was a year actually some doors. Yeah, to tell you.
What's that? Oh, yeah, we have a talk TV. I didn't have a yellow. Antibomadna. Tabletop fridges, single and double door, 90 liters to 500. Chest freezers, 100 to 900. You want 1, 2, 3 doors. Out to be enough for business. Air condition 1.5, 2.0, 2.5. Fufu pounding machine. You want the domestic. Our fee. What they count fufu. And I want the one my commercial. And crofobia fufu now juicy. You want sewing machine. A fear dear. And industrial use washing machine. You can see how better me be laundry. And also some crofobia be see omo niema no ato ama omo. When nyina no obenya no Kennedy digital supply. And kan wager old barrier Kokrobite junction. Traffic lights na sia no. Obehu yen Kumasi Family Plaza. A dino. Ya ben Boss FM. A hono no first floor. Patase so Adom House. Dina a you woman no. POFM woman no. Ye Kennedy junction. A hono na obehu yen. Your number is 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 and 0207 653 0207 653 031. Dimpa Natural Health or Geno Home and not. Hey, doctor, and I'm out to this time. I know thing. I don't see any bano heavy. What biatum Saba also there. Look no further. The place is Dimpa Natural Health. Is a peptic, gastric, duodenal, GERD, acid reflux, or H. pylori. O Diana so akopiem ho. Okoko echisew oboya ochew. When isu brew, wachi yo ya. When oda wona when nyina no symptoms of ulcer. Okwa doctor the machines basis you so normal chifine fru ni paduam. Ye wi a baby ya ya no. Ya ma local and foreign natural herbal product. Na wo de akọ ada no obeda say. Fred doctor. It was 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 and 0245 118 434 0245 118 434. Second floor Willas Towers. The champ so free airport runabout nekwa. Kane mensia health insurance dan more pe na wo call na bibia dananim. Leicester Ghana Limited. Yay, washing powder weekend do be sia there. Mr. Mausachi enko hwane na enko twentwom na won tade na ni nkopa na tade ni ntumom onya Yaz washing powder ye wo de koche obi awawo ye wo de koche odofu bi the birthday okika ni nyina boma ye kama ye wo bucket there ho ye wo 5 kg 2 kg 1 kg 3 kg na se ba se wo pulse na wo hia whitening herbal paste esa so e ball gum no ho ban ma wo simu ye dina na me kamfo Yaz toothpaste the other bet you choose so a Duke, Duchess, Princess, toothbrushes no, na the Bristols no, a be a honor no thing for one more a friend one more a smokers no, and the award the middle one I know so I don't tell mu and a wow gum bleeding no, we had there I know I'm repa, Nina no a be ho conflicts a hodwa and Kualani Cusco medie while crowd will feel and number person too much a crispy and crunchy, but modern pusu homano. Doom or 2430, you know, for 0501 390337 0501 390337 and a 0244 596 943. And upon the sanitary part once for hygiene, I recommend for you nothing but Yaz sanitary pads. You said that heavy flow, light flow, normal flow. Now need you something to say. You said the panty line are shame and the asaya politina what about cry. Oh, menses no kama enko ye mo bi nko hunu sanse moja de enye se obi ewo hu moja ni kra na optima ya wa wo ho be yeden ya ye we nyina ye twere mo ho enti bomodena se wo be frɛ 0244 596 943 0244 596 943 baby wipes no so wo ho no ma kwala no ye de form to ho a omunya nappy rash I relax baby food kwala dia ni eye papa akwala di dia oda or sorry out him said why day and 10 say nutrients and the vitamins I will nipedi rice with milk, your rice with banana, milk for 4 months baby plus, wheat semolina honey, 7 cereals with fruits, rice with vegetable, 7 cereals with milk, your bottle foods are rice pudding, egg custard, creamy porridge, 4 months plus children. Joywin Company Limited, a reputable company for many years with baby foods. And no pay free. Neto be called Shoppe 0244 717082 0244 717082 and 0501 150 912 0501 150 912. Divine Hope Herbal Center. Ochia, or see Ochia Shiwa, Wara Beba. My man, let's Susani Sisi and the ya and a day, San or Bay Copen, once them say, what here do you be a friend or chia or Toma Pape, Gunsu, Shimun no more, yeah. I found you may Pape Leginas way. I just say, obey baby a dinner twafa, was all Boakra or chia, a Shiwa Beba. West Space, Anna, may you cocoa, a Yasaminiat and Kalo libido, Bomodina Sobena or chia, herbal powder. Then no more yet, if you go soon, then noom, never ball. The whole Kumasi building, a war Mercru, a Busia crew agency, a honey war. Your number is 0591 565 557 0591 565 557. Permission, Femike, a man in Diatum. Obo permission Femike, Oba used to be done or seriously. Near maybe a neck cost with Nipeduama Nemuano. Near maybe an intimate emancipin sita. Coke a pounds a be a net to any candidates. What they point be an eba. A man in menstrual disorder, dysmenorrhea. Na yasi chadu to Obunisa. When you are a Femike, CSC, na Amabawa CPS sita. A fay haba Messano, who did ya, wanted that. Uti Jawsa, Unam to 2. Unya adwuma nso so wabrɛ adwuma bi a obofron ni nyina no unya permission heba mesha wa na wokro afei meme osi ye omre wa utim so the taria na wai uhia permission berima capsules ampoma mi konkoli oboase kwan so ho ne wo sanso so ena dan the farmer wo mrom Shagisco Ewo Kasi Drugstore Lane na Plaza Building number no ye 0555 388046 0555 388046 Sankofa Yenchi Yemom Sankofa Abakofa no benya how there kamiso demom se bas spices there Sankofa meka prekase hwentia esuru se form wisa garlic nkete pepper rosemary mo ene dia ya wo ye abomu a utim se wo ye abomu meka abomu ma kai titi sempa o mabomu nisa hey abomu now wanya bi ya wo 8 varieties, no salt, no preservatives, no sugar. Utimi tisi obi timi di wie na ne pressure kosro o di wie na ne sugar level san say spices no niam egum no ekun bomode se okodwa so a obobusa Sankofa spices na bibia ayede akoyi kama. Your destination travel services you do two kwan asema ye cancer reaching safely is assured. Holiday package for students and I say wow person okosua de o person okoy o ya undergrad postgraduate diploma ye be sama visa monya student visa okokora betima ye adwuma afei confirmation of airline tickets, hotel bookings. O you be a person utu kwan koye business Turkey himfa upe 10-year visa utu kwan hu hia so koye visa bio we nyina se ya to ho nurse ni abeso utu kwan na ukosua dia na ukoye adwuma teacher ni abeso ukoye adwuma doctor and auxiliary nurses ni nyinara Mr. Friend number is here asakori manpon rural bank nchen ene ye wo your number ni o 0257 298084 0257 298084 and a 020 674 8767 020 674 8767 Joe Apple Electricals na mami abet na say rabbi de obapa wa ba de atna say Joe Apple Electricals tie me I say electricity in no galego na Joe Apple Electricals where they carry am one to wire papa ufie be se wobɛku no wabusia obi fie obakɔse no don't just call any electrician say okay why you see ekotobi wa ha ubusa ne say why na me se fa be ya badwuma ma me no copper wires no cable signal cables no ukoto no wa he so ka se enye jo apɛ wa pam no oye quack obia oye papa bia oye electrician papa oto ne niema o jo apɛ electrical enterprise ye wa Japan House opposite MTN PZ branch no and RC taxi station ho ye wa 1.5 millimeter copper 2.5 4 millimeter 6 10 and a 16 ye wa 2.5 meters it really connecting air condition and yes ye wires nyina ye heat resistant Ghana Standard Authority agiatum Freya 0246 905898 0246 905898 and 0543 934 550 Mami Abe na me feel sa obapa na what to say
money Christ adome ho ye pa
o so fefefe o nyini da
ma sheda na me yesa me numundru
onumundru ampa obapa mi ti anope
yo anope de me search ya mo bio
joso
ye be bom paye nyame ahode da wase da bia woni edi nkomo onu nkofo kasa faye mu enenso ya ba owura be kasa faye mu kire wo mba na omote na obesa won ya de nyina de aseda ma ye ni ebisa wadom ti amen
amen
amen anko yi
amen
na onyankopon atese mo ni abere anope de enkomo ya pese me ni mu die efa ye secret service ye national anthem ya e wo ho kum nipa nanso ye nya anu aduri eno na me di kan mo aka ho asem obi a wo secret service ba enua abusua ana obi a wunimu no dom no na fa me number ma no on frɛ no omra no megya yaresa nkofo ogi ho akinye bata yaresa nso koso desa abroche for kra na agi ne mo fi se omuso matikuo bi wo ho eye wo mu kuo yese wo mutikuo na omo boaboa wo enti obi ba gi bi ko countries be miensa Britain and US and Germany as say no omaji atuma nkofo ebegiko ekoma wo mo ma wo mo ho to wo sakura no kura yare na asai no na bia ama na ya ba fine ana se otumi nsore nante a ebi kura yare ne ba won so a ema wo mo twere wonu maduro na twere ne beko se wontumi nante no bia ote hwi ma obesore enti me kanfo ma mo se abehe ba kan ke number 1 wa yare se mo kyere se die ni ho said me ya na me kai na makai me wo famrante ehine o si die hu ani die obi entemensa no
o de fabra
abe heba no to ase eti drama ya de yan kan show say ya de we die bibia ni ho me say na dro wo ho o de abra me ntimi mbo ya de nyina de se bri ni sha eti me kan foma awo na edi nkofo nya asomdwe mefie asomdwe mabusua mu abehe ba kan awo ni de tatahwe a chese me ka cho se wo pentafo wo benya wo pa hinasa wo benya wo pe ba ko a wo benya enti entra won ka se aduro ni ho obi anyi ho ye boni wo wiase na no na me ka se e wo TV station bi se mama ne bebre awo mu wo ne hyeda anye yare obu asabio ni be ma ne sori a achia se oba ma ne pagya no ho na se etwa kɔ baabi kakra bi a se wo no oba be wo no obebre ho enti se wo ye be ma wo te sa na wo ye oba na se wa ware be ma na se ne be ma no pagya no ho no wa ba adwuma na se wo hu se wo twa bonkuma na wo twa ni fa bo modi afa ne bra enye yare mbe kye okwan a mo be fa so a mo betimi awo wo ye oba na wo kɔ ware be ma na se be ma no bia na ne be ma no bo ana enye bonkum nye nifa bate hwe soro eno so wawo ho be ye den enye yare wo ba me kire kwan obefa so na no obi bai oba bi wo ho no ma na wo de na chia naturally nyame na abo ne sa enye yare awode na chenti wo be ma wo ne da no ensuo dugu nchen na hwe agu fom obedum wiase nduro nyina doctor beka je se ye hunu hwe me pa chaw ya di normal be wura wo bebre wo bebre ya okasa wom enti misro se bibisa dia misro ne se wo de di kan bra be ya o machine say di dictate say niama ni nyina na no obi ba me ho wonya almost 38 years hospital ewo omayi mu de wo se baby awakọ yesi bibia nha no oba ya me de me machine si ni so na me hunu se na wo de na ankasa no anu no nhwe soro anu no hwe nchen enti se ni pe ya na wo de ya no hwe nchen kofom kakrai ekwan be na abefa so a wo hu nsuo be konum enko enti ma kire no kwan ya obefa so nyame adom na no wafrɛ me se ya afa enti mi kan foma wo se nya wo nyina wo nya no na ye dunum enya wo na wo wo ni nyina na ese wo sa enya dura wo robu nyina na ese wo ye no ma bi ema ne haw mesrew brani afa machine hwa de kro ye hwa de kro no wie ni ehu se wo hia dura edura bu ye hu se ebia bibi na nsi wa wankasa wa body enimu a nyame bo ni aba ndipa bebre kwan bebre so ne nyina agina se wo maame onya ya re bi no ode wo nti niama bebre bi amfo mu yie da nya wa etemesrew asewa wase aba ware onwo ye no nya no ho abotre hunumobo na so ne nsabra be heba clinic nyame nti ye behu de ekoso na wawo ama empam no na wo pam no a asodie be da wo so nyame be bisaw because nyankopon nim de nti a wode ne ba wa busuam ma wo eti antwitwire wo to ekuma wo kuma ba ware ase na wo no be yie no mesrew boa no na woni mo chena fa ne bra ni amwa na kwan bi obefa so obewo no aka abusuam na mo nyina amaya adwene baako abusuam baako ebe boa obi eba me ho oba ye ne yehudi ha no aye ma no o se na kuma abepam no nkumafo etumi bobbo ne abepam no frɛ aware na se enu oba be ma so paninti ye pam no na o makohia baabi ye pam no na o makohia baabi nyame ado oba me ho no yinse na ba na kuma pani na odi mu no kware ya ono su katreka awomba afa do obabu sane se na ehi na akoye o se sa me ka akire wo no me pese wo kam obi a ti asese obi a betimi aye bonini but e dro wo baabi na me nkire ti de busuan ni hia no ho kan se wa ye bone wo pa na kuma ani che on kire ne baabi a wo koye nyame adom oba ono so abanyem eti wakuba na wo pam na wo nwo ye no sutu tobo ase na woni baabi a wo so wo de no wo ebia na wo kunu na nwo wo de wo na bia na wo kunu na nwo be ma so nyi ntomu da because be ma bia gidi so on de correct enti bra be ma woni oba nwo mesro me pa acho be ma bia anye bonini bra yare na e ha wo me moa na wo no mra wo yam na ya furu obo a osa osimfie nwotwe obi a kidney stone osimfie bebre na wanante saa ebi a liver stone ebi a liver na ebi a nsuo bi aba abegyina wa wodie mu o kidney o liver o ba bi ebi a wanum nsebi adum dwo to bi nti wa hra na esei wo bo wa bebre untimi enya wo ho hwe asma no sese wo kuta hila hila ite be felu misro brada bi yi asma no ebro no mfiri mu na ebro no mfiri mu no wa mbo wa bia hila ne ho hia
okay
what you say hila no onya nyame me pa acho bo ho modern yare bia hawo say yantwo say yankwe kokobo yi aba ene hawo woni moja oba wo chima moja bebre oba bo nchima no kura ma na nyinse yaba oba bu ho no ma family plan de hawo be sraw abehe ba clinic de ya bo prekope entra ho be sraw be trawo na de make a chawo ne say pihwa abehe ba clinic kira kwan bra wo fa number we no troto ho na fa ba obi no obi mfa ma obi na mo ankasa mo mra na mo meje aso
oh fresh 0243 345 392 0506
460 208
WhatsApp line also 0506 460 208 Facebook and YouTube account no yeah Abe Heba Clinic.
Okay.
Baby ayo
Tanoso Apatrapa new site eho ana yawo na yechirem se wudu Tanoso Apatrapa junction boko kwantempo no so a osi obesi wo Apatrapa junction usa taxi drivers na won se okọ Abe junction anasane na fro be pon se na okọ Apatrapa kronum ho no onsane fa so pe
that's right
the signboard si wa ejo tata de waba asoye ho na so abenyu ayaresa
okay
se de dia me de twato ne se ekuro diabetes kuro hankofo ema o ma ware egu abusua po wo obo okra to mi ko han nipa so omra mehwe no nipa kro no kra so be di na nya wodam wo nhunu fa kuro no bra ekuro nsa de etie bia mfie dodo adie bia fa bra eye na awotwe efiri na awotwe ikono pampan bia be firim ekuro no bewu within 1 month me serew entro me kuro ensa wani onyam ense wani je diabetes any typhoid ulcer syphilis any mwa bebre ekuyen egugu yase a edi manya me serew fa ni nyina bra
okay
me serew asama me ken number na me pesa wo san chro
0243
0243
345
345
392
392
0243
0243
345
345
392
392
0506
0506 460
208
208
Tanoso Apatrapa new site Tanoso Apatrapa junction no aben aswe ho anisa abe herbal clinic bisa no bia do beba aswe ho
erade era wase say da woni yakasa na kire wo ma wo beje wo nkwan asedanka boaye na yenso ye ninkunu odi mu we ni ebisa wadom ti amen
okay yamhwe one idea wa wodan quickly na fei yembi ahoma no entum emfama mo de odi kan no eye evidential amamponsa kwatin abon na di we bajo mo fa me nkowa evidential evidential amamponsa kwatin happy birthday to you afei special birthday to Omanhene Kwaku Apia Koka. Oh, Yaw. Omanhene
Chama Omanhene Kwaku Apia Koka.
I care.
Koka I care. No nko asen no for there.
Me nim so wo kro ma.
Chama so wa ha de ene anyum.
They say na so we no awu no. Always refusing to grow.
No tie o.
Ezi Akwaku ene em say Akwaku anya 51 o.
Sir.
And so many nyina na what the same eh.
Okay.
Kwaku ye me mate o ayi o. Adventist preparatory school.
APS.
Ye ko APS o.
Sir mo nyina mo ye o student.
Ye o student to APS.
Sentia.
What do you mean Edia?
Akuza se mo nyina mo ne ma sese.
We tell
you tiri ho apapɛ. Mu bibia pɛ.
Happy birthday to Kwadwa Duboaten. Boat of Bokrom Estate, F-Line from Nanaya Boama.
Boat, happy birthday.
Gloria Asante Menu, we are nurse wa Brim Aguna Health Center from Sebreni Swami. Samuel Uswa Japan, accountant of Sakafia Islamic School from all the teachers staff. Bernard Ambofajan to a CEO, Brekum Chelsea Football. Oh, okay. From Yaboama of Sompa.
Bernard Chama
Eunice Sayiri, Mami you of Tafo behind Roman Catholic. Atadia John Senior, proprietor of St. John's Education. Barbara Mensah of Aguna Asante, Kechre Obi of Sompa. Paulo Usu from your wife, from your uncle Yaw. Paulo Usu, Uncle Yaw. Kwaku Jude of Ejoso, Charity Keswa, so about Tinkwa. Ya baby from Bulare of Pankrono.
Baby Junior.
Olivia Abnaya Boa. Neya Wawoda.
Oli.
O papa ye soa of Odotobri Rural Bank. Okay. To my husband, Reverend Dr. Michael Ampong of Community Prayer Time Chapel. Mrs. Margaret Ampong, any more friend in Asia Maltinkwa. Mama say wow the dish catering services. Hey.
Enefia.
Where mama say wow.
Okay.
The dish.
Yeah, the dish one mefianum.
Yes.
Hey.
Jinem.
Sewa, ewiameba ho.
Sewara. From your mother Esther, Nanefia, and all your siblings. Okay. Ohine Mabel. Ohine Mabel, Gloria, Ella Helena. Triplets.
Hey.
And your munina happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And Kranza SHS from Bra Obi. Lawrence Yafosu. Also so awoda kuna beposo amanten boaten electrician Sompa.
Boat and a party. Boat and a form.
Boat to Jau.
Boat to see form, boat and a form.
Abigail Aqua. Your birthday, Jerry Edmond Hans, na Sunday way back. Moses Oloyebi Ogawan. Revival Life at Church.
Okay.
Patron Kesepa.
Okay.
Ogawan.
That's right.
Moses Oluyebi. Hey, Oluyebi. Omso Oyebi.
Hey, just say it catch the crowd and spelling in our say.
Jones. Minia Jones so Kote. And they are that.
Okay.
Jones Kote. Happy birthday. Yeah, champ prempe of a honjo. And then to say yeah, champ prempe so that. From old friends, group members. Okay. Mami mi ahumanuntum for about 5-10 minutes.
Akota Revival Life here oka ho asemi yan. Okay, a Reverend Alexander Boakye Ajimai Kumawu
ayu
host ye no. Na yesi Kumawu Local Council of Churches na kwa akoto aba ekoyi chairman. Na yesi Revival Life sofo Reverend Alexander Boakye Ajimai na omutuma no ye ne chairman. For
Reverend Alexander.
Reverend Alexander is also a chairman. Kumawu Council of Local Churches.
Oh no, decent.
Oh yes. Yeah, you Kumawu anka osenya yen.
Hello, good morning. Hello. Asujien kawo so enkoma edi ano dia na oka.
Ayawuda ketwa na gas obi no kuma no abatu.
Kedu mami nteu.
Mo amaye tiawo pa no kremo e bon pense Libya boga ba be president eno de kamete pa.
Wow, say Libya boga say wa be fa irechi o be mo ade no. O bon pa so me president no. Kedu me hu. Kedu me hu.
Kakra me kan say secretary there. I was ultimate equipe back never go you through me.
Okay, secret in the equipe you never through mu. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Fine ye.
Mr. Omanhene, me shall know about your phone now.
Osodo do kasa.
Mr. Me ya bo amanya again. If he say, yeah, so kasa dia, let and o ma ya dia na adosu. If he say, go walo ba wan kasa obe wona, obe father na afọ wona chi.
President now so be no mo no ko ho no.
Asimo me kai
we here man. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But how are you? My brother kasa.
Me ba so me swa you always Libya boga kind of
secret no ka.
Me oba de but you all can share. Ufam tuna o yire chie ye pa.
Oba nyamisira ye nyamisira
oba so ufam plan o yire chie ye.
Akuta say kamu na ka.
Na ba na sma ye kai secret e carry the here mo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Ba jo ma mi ntiu.
Ba jo me din bi mo me free say kwatan.
Emos kasa.
Me pese me ye ya bo ama ne finance ya to pese obi president.
Wa ho me ma no.
Nyamisira.
Wa ho me ma no. Munyira just say
me number ni 0343.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Yes, I'm with you.
That is when cut me bro with German South.
I'm in you no pay.
If I show madam Omanhene Yaw, you be American quite there.
Omanhene.
What you keep secret. And so all the program be about how we are.
Bola.
Oh my goodness, I am picking.
Yes, Captain Siasia Papa.
And Papa, I will just so. Eti adofo nyanhye no so say Siasia.
Captain Siasia.
And Papa eye no baso o dwaso krom. O ye dwaso de sekan. Papa ni din na mra fi o na we de. Ba asem ni nyane say Siasia. Akomya sachi abusua ni nyina da. Ekina wo mo krom papa chi ntine mesremo a otonsa fradofo sports fo amo asante mantem nyina no abudi abi munyama adwin say mo ko dwaso ye kota Samson Siasia of or passports
oko leave your bed there was suni papa.
Why?
Siasia.
Oko leave.
Also oko leave. Na no ye kwa chi honi nyina no leave o. Ti wa anya hwe.
Leave na o kan.
Wa anya hwe.
Am who leave.
Say me dwene ho bed there no suni papa.
Oh, actually obesu no dry.
Obesu no dry.
Abu say di mu si halwa abu di abi aso.
5G.
Drink 5G be energy drink where if you tire pa, if you get the 5G, it go help you. Miso be mango drink, it get very energy. It get vitamin A, vitamin C, the B6. If you skin problem, it go fit help you. It go fit help your immune system too. No worry, my brother.